Welcome to 84, day 84 of the crypto bull market, and look at ETHW just popping today. It's floating. Had a big run up this morning in the American pre-market. I am back, ladies and gentlemen. How are you lovely people doing today? Let's see here. All right, so my Streamlabs disconnected when I switched over to a Discord view. So sorry about that, YouTube. Just working on this now. Look at ETHW here this morning. ETHW exploded. It exploded. Look at ETHW today though. $4.40. Anybody here on the Discord? Alright. It's early in the morning still. Very early in the morning.
I'm here, Jay. Like always, sir.
Are you still holding ETHW, Rob?
What's that same, sir?
Are you still holding ETHW?
Yes, sir.
You know, even my indicator went off for the buy ETHW while I was sleeping.
More ETHW.
Yeah, my buy signal went off last night. Well, early this morning, around it's around the same price I warned the Discord about ETHW. So it's very good. Very good. Let me we're live on YouTube. I started another stream up, so working on that real quick. What do you think though, Rob? You happy?
Yes, I'm happy. Very, very happy. Apparently the wife is happy too, she said.
Okay.
Happy wife.
Share your wife how much you'd make if ETHW goes to $8.
Yeah.
Even just $8.
You said in the word. She says she gives back to society in her job.
People didn't like ETHW though. They still don't like it.
Well, why?
I don't know. They don't think the blockchain will go anywhere. They don't think Binance will list it.
Okay, that's fine.
It's the same people that didn't take profit on the MSGM when they're up 300%. Man. So I'm gonna do this real quick. We were dipping a little bit in the pre-market, Rob. Like Doge was coming down hard. Or is this Matic up there? Look at all these other tickers like coming down quite hard in the pre-market. Like Matic did one more push up there to stomp out that liquidation. It hit $1.2570. So the guy with the question asking if it would hit $1.28. We're a little bit far from there before we started this come down. But yeah, look at that. Doge is already down 1% right here. Matic did one last push there. One last big push, 2% up.
Sorry, could you share your screen? Sorry.
Yeah, give me a second. I had to like close off Discord stream share because it crashed my whole streaming software. Do you like my chart layout?
Yes, I love your chart layout. Actually, I trade on your chart a lot.
Like what you see on Discord is real time. I like the layout too. That's why I set it up like this.
I like that layout too.
Oh my god, Bitcoin is bleeding right here, Rob.
Yeah, I just jumped in. Let me take a look. Oh god, look at Doge. Oh my god.
Even ETHW came down quite hard, Rob.
Oh really? Let me take a look.
It's already down over 20 cents from that top up there, by the way.
Can I FOMO now on Doge?
Well, let's put everything on the 5 minute instead of 30 seconds so you guys are not scared. But look, this is still like a lot of sell pressure in the pre-market. Like right after the funding fees and everything, like this is still a lot of sell pressure.
You got economic data coming out right now, you guys.
Oh,
Very volatile. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Let's go.
Man,
Good morning,
Jobless
Crypto
claims.
Numb.
It goes down to what thing? The liquidations?
oh, we're clearing. We have liquidations for Doge all the way down to like 8.9 cents.
Yeah, so my strategy right now, I was thinking about just as soon as we get to those levels, I just buy a few bags, but not a lot, so I don't have any liquidation price, or just very little, and then just let it go until we are at 16 cents.
All right. Next time we do like a big dip.
Yeah, I mean, hopefully it dips more. I don't know.
Hopefully for you. Man, we are bleeding this morning. We absolutely are bleeding this morning on crypto. Came through a liquidation block. Look at Matic though. Matic before it did the dip, Rob, it ran up.
Yeah, I saw like last night it was starting to creep up, but I've had fist fights with Matic, and Matic took my lunch money, and I'm not happy with Matic.
Well, yeah, you shouldn't short Matic because Facebook's still going to use Matic. And I was thinking, like, their VR headsets, if they start getting some NFT games on there using Matic, oh, we'll be back above $2 for Matic. It's just so beautiful. But yeah, ETHW's in this cool off period right now. We just that big candle for 2.2 million volume though. That's over $8 million for ETHW. That's a lot of money for a candle.
Yeah, people are really expecting something to happen.
The green blocks did really well last night though. I will say that. I slept good last night too. I slept really good.
I slept really, really good as well. I didn't have any trades but ETHW in there.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I made good money yesterday, and I had last night off from work, so I was sleeping all night great.
Yeah, because I stayed up extra late. I wanted to get that last green block for the people out there watching. I was like, all right, I'll get it. And I'll sleep. I won't be able to do another one until after I wake up. Luckily, price went up when I was sleeping, not a big dip, and I could do a green block today. So, new day, new green blocks. Doge is already almost at the level. That's weird. So actually my green block's not even on this chart because it didn't save. Let me here.
My charting looks a lot like yours because I went on YouTube and I got the video that explains how to make this stuff look the same. I have all the liquidations. The only thing I don't think I have is the arrow, but you said it's something that you have
Custom.
separate. But like the arrow though, I don't know. I don't like. Does it show like the?
The
What
arrow
does
is
that
not
show?
really
Like?
great. It's just built off of a super trend. That's all it's built off of. But Matic came up through those liquidations quite hard. Is Bitcoin going to come through these liquidations back to 23.3? Bitcoin's up here a lot again this morning, like 24,200. Bitcoin really wants those liquidations up above 25,000. So even though we have this economic data, even though we have this dip in the pre-market, those shorts probably going to need to start taking their profits that are in the profits, or they're going to get wrecked. That's the hard truth. Man,
I'm not gonna sell my ETHW because it's below $4, and if it dips more, I would just add to my position.
no, it's not below $4. It's $4.35.
No, yeah, I mean, my position is below $4, so
okay.
I wanna. If it goes, yeah, my entry is 3.98, but if it dips more, I definitely wanna add to my position.
Oh,
but
absolutely.
I don't wanna sell right now in profits because, like, I don't know, man. It's not even dipping. Like, what the heck?
It's down a lot from that top.
The funding rate, did they just get paid?
Oh, the funding rate just came out when Matic and yeah, right before that dip right there.
Where do you look to see when they get paid?
For probably some exchanges, but on Metsy we get paid out in about 2 hours 20 minutes.
So where do you find this information?
It's going to be at the very top of your exchange. You can also go to CoinGlass and get funding fees estimators or the current funding fees for exchanges on CoinGlass. That was a big dip down for Doge, though. I mean, it came back up again last night, but it's also down to like 9.3 cents over here. I would love to see ETHW like above $5. We're still before the Binance listing, and nobody knows when that Binance listing is going to be. But oddly enough, we had over 2 million volume not that long ago for ETHW. People did sell a little bit into that volume, but they did not sell all the way for that whole pump. So I think that's very interesting. I'm going to have a very interesting YouTube short come out today. Man. Like, this kind of like fits the criteria of a green block. Let me load this up real quick. The ducks are coming back. It kind of fits the criteria, but it's not there yet, you know? My God almighty. My God. Do you see this? Do you see the SPY at 413? Woo! The SPY is at 413. The S&P mini futures like fucking pumped this morning. Man, what's happening? Like this is crazy. Yeah, we might clear this liquidation block. We might drop down and liquidate a little bit of positions, but my God, we are getting like ready. We're still in the fucking bull market. Too bad you don't have a green block for ETHW over there or Matic. So I'm gonna replace Matic this morning with DXY. How about that?
With Dixie?
Yeah. So we're gonna do DXY this morning.
Man, I'm feeling so bad about Ethereum W. It doesn't come back. It's insane. It's insane. It doesn't want to retrace at all.
You see that, Rob?
You called it, sir.
Woo!
Woo!
I made a deal. I told you last night with a grapefruit. I was eating the grapefruits to prepare for Kathy if she can get it up there too. All right. This green block's a little bit too big. My last green block for ETHW is like around 3 something, so it's crazy. Like Doge clears this liquidation block, it would be a great entry. If Doge can clear this liquidation block on these longs and come down to like 9-0 range, it could be a good entry. I'm looking at the chart.
Tim, after all these green days, do you think we're gonna have like at least one big red day or something like that?
Yeah, we already had that. We had one. We had one. I have another one.
Oh man, don't say that.
You didn't see the Bitcoin dip to like 22,000 something the other day? Everybody fucking panicked. I did a green block at the bottom and it just ripped.
No, yeah, I saw that.
Yeah,
I saw that, but it's just so tough, man. It's just the emotions are super high.
That was really beautiful, team. I saw you draw it too, and I was like, "No, is he really gonna put it?" I actually took along a bit after your green block, but yeah, beautiful move.
Sir. You guys, I'm probably going to be done trading soon after ETHW goes to like $5. I don't have to make another trade in my life.
So yeah, you gonna shut down the stream?
No. I'll still be here.
So yeah, that's it, guys. It's been fun. Wait, Dave, no.
I'll go be a Hetz Matsy and then throw all my profits into Hetz and just sit down and look at my chart once a day drinking coffee.
Are we gonna watch what's his name? And the next thing you know, they like pan over and there's Tame in his fucking robe.
You'll be watching me in a Versace robe talking about, yep, put all my money in Hetz. Today Hetz is only up 5,000%.
What?
Yeah, can I get my subscription fee back, man?
The YouTube subscriber fee, it's only like $1 for the
I'm
members.
only kidding. You're gonna be that ass rich when that heck shit drops, man. I hope so.
Certain people ask me, let them on the YouTube chat for free before. I was like, man, we're having this.
Oh fuck no.
We're having this negotiation, like, well, just $1. Like, I would send it to you if it was very quick. Also, $1, just $1.
I subscribed to that, but I just use Discord. But of course you subscribe.
I told people in
wouldn't you?
YouTube
$1.
yesterday. I was like, these green blocks are free, but the red blocks are $4,999 per year.
I read that.
Which red blocks? The ones that when we're on the top and then you kind of telling people to sell it, like to help them out.
Oh, the people that pay me $5,000 per year are seeing the red blocks.
Really?
You guys don't see the red blocks?
I mean, I have seen red blocks before, but
Where do you get hats? You can swap it in your MetaMask, Vago. I don't trade hats that much lately, but I did some stakes before. I told people the catalyst that will make hats go up would probably be pulse chain release, and then after I said that, Richard Hart came out and gave us a pulse chain update, so that's why hats went up again. Hets is about 3.3 cents right now. That daily chart for Hets, like, since our bottom oversold period for Hets, like that RSI oversold on Hets, about 3 RSI, we've came up about 92%. If you lost money in the past 84 days, I don't know what to tell you. I had somebody text me yesterday. They asked me how to get their ETH 2.0 off of Coinbase. Like, they locked up their ETH, and they bought their ETH about 3,700 per. They're like, yeah, I just want to Get rid of it. Get out of trading. I'm done trading. Trading is not for everybody. So if you want to stake it, Layton, you have to go to hets.com for the stake. You go to hets.com for that stake, Layton, but I'm warning you now. You in your het stake early, big penalties. Read everything about the frequently asked questions and penalties. But look at Doge. So I did mention on after this green block that we have liquidations under. So green block is for you guys to start looking for an entry. You don't have to buy it on the green block. You can wait for like a good entry after green block. But I did mention like there's liquidations under here for Doge, and it goes down to about 8.9.
My last buy order I had was like 86666, and it didn't go there at all. It was close though. It was close. It was like 88, but
yeah, it was very. Yeah, I see that.
It was before. It was a little after the liquidation block, and I just couldn't get it, man.
Yeah, when Pulse. Oh yeah.
Go ahead.
So I was wanting to say, yeah, when Pulse Chain come out, any ERC20 token you're holding, they copy that, and you get a PRC20 version of that. Any NFT you're holding on the ERC20, you get a PRC copy of that as well. Look, it's gonna be wild. It's gonna be the biggest airdrop in the history of airdrops. Woo.
It's already wild, man. It's so wild right now. It's gonna get even crazier, right?
I made a lot of profits from scalps last year, and I put a little bit too much into that Pulse Chain sacrifice. But like, there were points. There were points airing gnomes where I was like, I think I put too much money right here. I did a lot of het stakes and then I did the Pulse Chain sacrifice. I was like, man, I hope this comes out soon. I thought it was going to come out sooner, like way sooner. I thought it was come out last year, but it didn't. And I'm actually glad it did not come out last year. I'm glad it took this long because it forced me to scalp more. Because I used so much dry powder before on like this Pulse Chain stuff and hets that my scalping bag was down a lot. But then like over the last like 120 days, like I've been scalping like a madman, and now I'm in the ETHW super early. So sometimes when you're forced to scalp, you end up in another project really early.
Yeah, I mean, like I don't know anyone that has these abilities like you, man. Like your scalping power, it's insane. Like when you like, I can see when it comes down and you're in the deep and you buy. It's just so hard. It's so fearful at those moments, you know.
Yeah, trade with money you're not willing to lose, and it will change your mindset with trading. I bet you would be a beast at trading too if you did demo trading. If you just did demo trading and then follow those principles.
I did demo trading, but it's just I got super rich on it, and then I'm like, this is bullshit because you know
You have no emotion on that.
Yeah, if
Like
you put too much in, then you get scared. If you're getting scared, you got more than you can comfortably got in.
Scared money don't make no money.
That's why you cannot over leverage.
Small bets are for wusses.
and if W is not coming down, oh my god.
So Rob, I don't know if you guys remember, you were on Discord, but here's what happened yesterday, Rob.
I'm listening.
I told the YouTube as well. They heard this story. I was literally scalping ETHW so much that I created so much volume for ETHW yesterday before this run up.
That's funny.
And then I put in Discord like, you guys might want to buy some ETHW because it might start going up. And
Yeah, you yelled at me because I didn't have any, remember?
yeah.
And you're like, you sold it? I'm like, I'll buy more. Fine, I just bought it. And I was like, I bought the high. I'm like, I don't care, I'll buy more. And then this morning.
Yeah.
I still
Yeah,
thought
this-
anything under $4 was a good deal. That's
Yeah, this morning when I saw it retraced a little bit, and I was like, I don't know,
bought
this
more.
might be the last time.
I bought
You
more.
bought more?
My YouTube chat said they took profit at $4.10.
I bought more.
Woo!
Yeah, 4381, I think it was. I bought
I'm
just
not.
a little bit there.
I'm not up that much on my ETHW. About 567% from the green block.
328% now that I bought that, but I was at like 400%. Yeah,
Yeah, not bad though.
that's a good day's pay.
Not bad. Like,
Tame, this is real, right?
this is real.
Like that is real.
What's real?
Like all this is real.
Yeah. Let's see if we hit these liquidations on Doge. Like, if we can hit these liquidations, it's going to be about 8.99 cents. So,
Let's go.
I think you should ask if it's artificial.
are you talking about ETHW trading volume?
No, everything.
Let's talk about everything here. This is
Dixie going down. Is it artificial?
Amazing.
Who's
Dixie's not going down
manipulating
yet.
Dixie.
Doge has been
Why is
bleeding.
S&P putting new highs?
Oh my
Why is
god,
Bitcoin
bro.
pumping?
Like,
So-
these candles for Doge sell, they're most of them have been greater than 3 million.
each one. Wow, what is that?
Our biggest
5
one was,
minutes?
yeah, like that's.
Look at this one coming.
Here, let me add it up because we're coming through liquidations. That's why it's a lot of money. So this volume since before a little bit before the Death Cross has been about 115 million Doge. That's a lot of liquidations. Rob, you're gonna make that 300,000 this year. I showed you the water. You drink the water now, buddy.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to beat it.
Beat it. Just beat it. Dun, dun, dun,
Beat it.
dun, dun, dun. Just beat it.
Beat it.
Unless,
And
Beat
that's
it,
with
beat it.
ETHW, right? Thing?
well, I showed them with Doge or ETHW. Pick your poison.
But it's pretty much the same idea, right? Just you buy the
Similar
dip,
concept.
you let it rip to those levels that we're expecting, and then that's it, right?
It's kind of like rocket science a little bit. And we had to discuss it in Klingon. It was very, very difficult. I'm just joking.
Woo! Man, ETHW.
Oh man.
What do you think? I bet people would love to be in position when we get on Binance listening if we're doing this organically.
I love if I had a shot of everybody waking up in the morning on their phones and looking at it, and just that one moment, that 1 second.
Well, if they're holding it. If they missed out, I want to see that face as well.
Oh, I definitely want to see that face too.
There's the cry about that.
I was gonna. Shut up! He's over there doing push-ups. Ah!
Do a push up every.
AVAX had a nice push too.
I've been there, so I know.
Up
I've
20%,
totally been there.
Oh, the DXY is trying to push up here, man.
I think the stock market's going to do today. What's your thoughts, team?
So I was looking at the stock market. I was looking at the SPY. It was up a lot. But in the pre-market, it's like dipping now. Like it was up a lot. I see it's at 414 in the pre-market, Rob. The SPY is at 414. Like SPY is pushing up in the pre-market. And look, we had a big candle this morning for like 20,000 volume on the SPY.
Wow.
My friend almost sold their Tesla shares at 140. The first time it went up just a few dollars. I was like, fuck no. Fuck no. If you do that again, never text me about stocks ever in your life.
Shit, I'm so sorry. I got to get more. I got it. Yeah, fuck.
My friend's like, oh, it's at 140. Sorry, not 140. Sorry.
180?
180.
180.
I'm like, if you sell it right there, first time we go up, don't text me again.
So they, I had a buddy at work, and I'm like, I put an order in for tomorrow, Tesla. He's like, you think it's good? I was like, oh, no financial advice or anything. And apparently he bought some. He's like, how'd you know? I was like, magic.
Like I helped my friend so much get it at 106, and I was like,
Oh wow.
you take profit here. Like at 140, she tried to pull the plug, Rob, and then she texted me again at 180. So it's like a $40 spread between when she texts me. But
Williams up today.
Like being able to get Tesla at the $106 mark and then ride it up here, like you're up over 75%. So
It's mind blowing.
fucking mind blown.
For the stock market, that's quite impressive.
I'm up almost 60% on my Tesla.
Notice it's better than Bitcoin, but it's better than buying Bitcoin at 15.5 and selling here. So Bitcoin has some catch up to do. Well, it's still lagging behind Tesla for sure, but even the stock market.
Tame.
Yes, sir.
You gonna buy a Tesla or a Lucid?
I'm debating. I don't drive a lot, so I don't really care.
Yeah, right. That's true.
Like this is the Discord post about Tesla back before people started buying it in December. Like when people were scared the fuck to buy this shit, I had to be the one to point it out. Like, no, like this thing's prepared to rip. I was like, Tesla is primed to print, currently oversold on daily, completely is down over 55% from 200 EMA, and Elon said he isn't selling more. If you could go back in time, buy your Tesla at $106, you would do that. Why would you do that? Because if you look at the current price of Tesla,
Hey, I'm about double top on ETHW.
sort of, it's okay.
I got my Tesla at 120. I was so late, and I was like, "Oh my god, let me just get one," because I only had that little money in my Robinhood. I was like, "Yeah, let me get just one share."
Because if you go back through and look at the time, like, and now you look at the price of Tesla right here is $184. It's up over 70% from that call back in December. And I had a heated debate about a gentleman. I haven't seen him in Discord since then. He's still in the Discord. But he's like, nah, Tesla's going to go $50, bro. I promise you. I promise. I was like, go keep betting against the world's richest man. While you're at it, short some Doge for me.
Arguing with my old man.
But no, on the next down leg.
He said Ford's gonna destroy Tesla and bought Ford instead.
Yeah, and Ford fucking got wrecked.
Yeah, I bought Ford during the COVID dip and sold it. I bought it at $338 a share. Beautiful.
I have another friend that I talked to in real life. He's a horrible investor. He says the only company he's investing in when he buys stocks are a company that he personally knows or like used before. Like he will only buy like MasterCard. He will only buy like Ford. I'm like, come on. He said crypto's a scam. He's never touching crypto. I was like, I tried to show him Dogecoin so many times. And then he bought a bunch of these legacy stocks during COVID, and then a bunch of those legacy stocks still did pretty bad. That's why it's pushing today. Bitcoin breaks this 200 EMA, it could come down. Like when this yellow line crosses under orange, it's pretty bearish. Man, is my ETHW going to print today while Doge is dipping?
I don't know.
Woo!
It's not your Doge buy ETHW day or some shit?
Well, you know I shorted Doge last night, Rob.
I know, that was cool. I did too. It's creepy.
First time I shorted Doge in almost a year. I was like, I gotta do this. I gotta take this.
I was scared shitless.
I was like, perfect head and shoulders. I was like, Elon's talking right now. Somebody else, he's not gonna tweet right here. Absolutely no way he's stopping that interview to tweet about Doge. I was like, I can get this short before he's done. I joked about it in YouTube a little bit too. I tried to give that like little hint, but I didn't want to like set it in stone to people out there. Like, And my buddy is over. I was like, I'm DJing shorting Doge. 9:55 entry on my Doge short when I saw Elon was busy, and we were at the top there. So Elon busy and we're at the top. You might be able to get away with a quick short. But Doge is still like even now like only down 3.3%. I closed it yesterday, the short.
Been fun to hang it down to here, you know.
Wait until ETHW gets listed on Binance, though, Rob.
Oh my god.
You know, help me make a YouTube short. You talk about ETHW.
Not yet. I don't know much about ETHW.
No, just talk about your like ETHW is ripping faces off. We're up a lot from the Golden Cross. Blah 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 blah.
Wait till everybody else figures it out, buy some, and everybody's cheering, then we'll do it.
Well, I'm up at 600%. I want to make a quick YouTube short.
403. I bought a bag, Tane. Like a big bag. A big bag, dude.
Like, I like having my Met-C on like one half of the YouTube short and the chart on the second half. I might do some shorts with like ARC on half of them and trading on the other half. Like when I'm blowing up shit, but like still like pumping, like stocks are pumping. Fucking YouTube. Yeah. YouTube automatically like just load the video in the highest quality. Why would people want to even watch on 1440p by default?
It does it on my phone. It changes it. I gotta go back in the customs.
I even edit like
I did too.
All right.
Stupid.
I'm gonna do a YouTube short real quick. ETHW is up drastically this morning. From that golden cross, looking over here, we are up drastically. From this buy signal, we're up drastically. But from the golden cross, we are over 13.87%. And this is still before the Binance listing. What do you think would happen to the price of this ETHW after a Binance spot or futures listing? Think about it. They already have the ETHW mining pool. Why are we getting this huge volume on ETHW today while your favorite cryptos like Bitcoin are dipping and the DXY is over here ripping faces off? Oh, we are at 9:02 a.m. American pre-markets. Tametheark here, out.
And the French stock market is 2% away from a new all-time high.
I realized that the YouTube's like a few seconds delay, so when I ended the short early. But I cut off the like corny Tametheark out. Let me go back and play that. If it's good, I'll just put it on there.
I thought that was my favorite part.
That was my favorite part too.
All right, well, next time.
Yeah.
I'll give it a like.
Thing, do you think if W could retrace at all, or the way how he's looking? I don't know, man. Not looking like he wants to come back.
Hey, Tane.
Yes, sir.
On my Met-C, ETHW, what's your trading pair? USDT or US? Is that what your trading pair with ETHW is?
USDT, and I'm doing futures, but I wouldn't recommend you do the futures.
No, just for spot, because I'm in Doge, but I've got to move it to USDT.
Yeah, USDT.
First, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just double check. That's the best option. Thank you, sir. I just tried to put a few cents across. That's all, but it said minimum $5 USDT. So
yeah, Bitcoin's recovering. Let me know if your order goes through. If you need help, it's going to be on the spot trading.
Bitcoin. Yeah, it'll go through, man. I'm just putting small transactions first. Check, cross check.
I do have Instagram, but I don't use the Instagram a lot. And then people copy me on Instagram. So it's very unfortunate. I'll put my Instagram link in the chat, but there's so many impersonators out there. So don't message on Instagram. ETHW is up drastically this morning. From that golden cross.
Let's go ETHW.
Yeah, I wasn't planning on buying it just yet, but just checking, getting locked and loaded.
Anybody buy that little dip just under 4.4? Anybody buy the tiny dip? That was the dip. Everybody get it?
The dip.
No.
Rockets, come on. Up to 5.
I hope for your sake it does. I hope it goes to $70.
If it goes to $70, I'm going to pick you up in a helicopter.
That's why I hope.
That's why I hope, and we're going to get it, right? You're going to treat me out to...
Pure greed.
It's pure greed under my power. I just know you. I don't buy a helicopter. I just know somebody owns one.
That'll do. His ETHW went up to $300.
Oh shit! Spilled my water. Be right back.
Oh. Party foul.
I got a new headset, Rob, but I don't know about this yet. It seems pretty good.
Are you using it right now?
Yeah, does it sound bad?
Does it have a mic built in?
Huh? It's got a
Like a boom mic?
it's got a little mic on the side, yeah.
Yeah, sounds fine. Sounds great.
It's a Logitech one.
Yeah, how do we sound?
Yours good.
Let's
The
test
headphones,
it. You ready?
we are testing it.
La 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 la. How was
Do,
that?
re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti.
Yeah. We need you blocked for the bass. Make sure to test the bass out.
Yeah, well, you can just cheat and put like all these effects and make you sound like a rock star, pretty much.
Yeah, that's weak.
What are you talking about? We are rock stars. We don't need to sound like them.
Exactly.
Come on.
That's right. That's all. Come on, Bitcoin.
Come on, Bitcoin.
Come on, Bitcoin.
This is a
Bitcoin,
beautiful,
you can do it.
it's a beautiful time in my life. I'm thankful to be with everybody during this time.
Somebody change
One
your
day.
name. Like, Rob, I got an idea. Legally
Yes,
change your name to Bitcoin and run for president of the United States.
I think some people keep slandering me. We don't even know where you're born. You know what I mean? Let's see your papers. You're from another fucking country.
That's so funny, man. That's so funny.
Saying. Oh man, I was born in Michigan. Like I was pictures of the those are fake. Like what the fuck, man? Sorry. I mean, that's rude.
Let me see your papers, Bitcoin.
Let me see your papers.
I got these white paper here.
That's fake paper. Fake news.
Who's Satoshi Nakamoto? That's
See, he's Chinese. No, I'm just kidding.
sounds Japanese.
I'm just saying it's a joke. They got me tarred and feathered. Yeah, I'm cool, Tame. I'm not going down that route.
Rob? Yep.
Yeah. Leave me alone, Tame. I'm 3D printing a dinosaur.
3D print. I can go. You guys want me to put a let's load up the Arc music.
3D printed dinosaur.
3D printed dinosaur.
One of the feet are like the size of my hand. It's hilarious. It's actually bigger.
We need some Arc victory music here. Let's load up the Arc music. I should have had the.
How about like Bonanza?
I should have had the Arc music in my YouTube short. I want to do like some Arc gameplay in YouTube shorts. It's weird though. Oh, Facebook tweeted. Facebook has 2 billion actives every day. Wow. They have 2 billion actives every day. What do you think is going to happen to Matic? Let's take off the DXY and put on Matic. Look at Matic, like from that dip. Woo-hoo. That's what I'm talking about. Give us that ARC music. I just gotta log on, check my base, see if I got wiped or see if stuff despawned or something. Give me a moment. Guys, this sound of this annoys me more than it annoys you. I played this game over 8,000 hours. If I just had 10 cents for every second I listened to this song, I would never even had to touch trading. Dead serious on that one. Bitcoin.
Bitcoin.
People ask me how I'm making like over $1,000 per day for that goal that I set for myself. Dude, Rob, I set $1,000 goal.
I'm beating that goal.
I'm killing that goal.
What's your today's profit already? No, don't tell me. A lot or little? I wonder if I get. No, I don't have you beat. Never mind. Let's not discuss this. I'm thinking $2,000 a day. What do you think?
It's a little bit aggressive.
Okay. Back it off? All right.
Yeah.
Could take some time off, you know, once in a while.
Okay. But I'm beating that goal.
But take some time off.
Okay. Thank you, sir. I'll reduce my goals.
$1,000 a day in the US is good money, is it, Rob?
What, $1,000 a day?
Yeah.
Well, minus 10. Yeah. That's really good money. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you have to pay tax as well. But
yeah, it depends on. Yeah, you'll have to pay. You know, all that stuff. Yeah. But after all that stuff, yeah, you're still doing pretty good. Depending on how many hours you put in too. You know, if you did it in a regular 8-hour day, you're doing pretty good.
Yeah, 5 days a week.
At home, whenever you want.
Yep.
You stop
Talking
whenever you.
shit.
Yeah, that's that's really good.
No shitty boss. I mean,
if you got your wife,
you have a boss. I'm sure, I'm sure your boss is. I bet your boss is very good. Lucky.
So yeah, I'm doing my boss, man. That's funny.
You know what a job stands for, right?
What?
Jackass of a boss.
Yeah, I got a great boss. Like my boss is amazing. He's like, I can't say anything more about him. I've only been around a few, and he's just been great.
That is good. I like it when you work with good people.
Yeah, because I was like, I mean, I don't want to make anybody mad. You know, I don't want to get in trouble or anything. He's like, we're not in the 80s anymore, Rob. We're not like battling each other. It's 20. We can talk now. It's okay. I was like, all right, cool. You know, usually you get yelled at, like, and he's like, no, I'm not doing that.
That's good.
Love that guy.
We got Dogecoin.
Dogecoin.
Yes, sir. We got that
Man.
Doge. We got Big Daddy Doge nowadays. I'm not everybody's boss. People do their own thing. I don't make people do anything, really. Man, Rob, this fucking Bitcoin.
It's Bitcoin, dude. What's your concerns about the corn bit?
Well, it might not be that edible.
Well, we knew that. We're just gonna have to just force it down, man.
Yes,
What am I
sir.
gonna do with these buckets of Bitcoin I got then?
We're gonna have to force it down. Take one for the team.
I put the tweet about my ETHW position so far from the last trade if you guys want to check it out on Twitter. I still have some sweet potatoes, RJ. Last time I bought sweet potatoes, I bought about 40 pounds.
I'm gonna start getting into the sweet potato thing. We need to talk.
It's good. And your wife likes sweet potatoes.
Man, she makes a pretty good sweet potato pie, I'll tell you that.
What's so good about sweet potatoes?
The flavor, for one.
All the nutrients.
I like the color, for two.
Cheap. You can cut it out into like little squares or custom little animals and cook them.
Andy?
Oh my god, look at all this fucking green.
I'm gonna go throw up, Tame.
Man, I'm telling you, like, when we go past $10 for an ETHW, if you're still in the same position you're in,
I'm not letting go of this position, Tame. I'm not.
proud of you, man.
Thank you, Tame, for letting me on this channel.
You're welcome. Your portfolio has been coming a long way.
It has.
We broke the double top at $4.30. Some people had their take profit there. We broke it. And we kind of dipped around there too. And they took profits. I want to say that last time we hit that 430 though, we came down 22% to $3.30. But I'm telling everybody, like, every day we're getting closer and closer to a Binance listing. Every day that passes, one day closer. And that weekly RSI, like, when that weekly RSI was oversold for ETHW, is around $2.86 to $3. If you got your ETHW around $2.86, $3 in that oversold range, you're up over 34%. Sorry, like way more than 34%, like almost 40%.
So yeah, when it's at like $10, $11, we're like, it's breaking 10. You're gonna be like, man, under $5 was a good deal.
Yeah. People still debate with me that Bitcoin, putting your whole bag in Bitcoin on the 15.5 16K was a bad idea. Like, how? Price is up way more. If you put your whole bag in, just take profits now. You'll have way more dry powder than if you didn't put your whole bag in. Like, it's common sense.
Yeah, pull it all out when it hit the high right there and threw it all in ETHW. Oh man, holy crap. Oh dude, you did a double.
I'm up over 700% on this ETHW position. Like, I only come in here to earn 1,000 per day. That's my goal. That is my goal.
That's pretty cool thing.
This position's up over $8,000. Oh my god, Bitcoin's ripping out with my green block.
Holy shit!
Woo!
Woo!
My god almighty.
Ripping faces off.
Guys, if you like my green block, so I do have a GoFundMe. I think about one person authentically donated to that, but then everybody else that did it was for like the Discord
Donation.
Oh my god, ETHW is gonna print even more right here, Rob.
I bought the dip, dude. I can't, like, I just can't put any more money in there, dude. This is just stupid. I feel this is a lot.
You guys like the green blocks? You guys like the green blocks? Consider.
This is making me uncomfortable. I mean, it's not, but we'll talk. We're doing great, Tane. We're doing great. We're doing great. Big old red candle. Ah! If anybody's new at trading, my one thing, do not lose it all before you can learn. Mic drop.
Give us some words of wisdom.
If you're sweating it, you got too much money in it. Don't pee in the wind. That's another one I like to throw in there. Close your mouth and open your ears when people are talking and they know what they're talking about. If you didn't understand anything that they said, please ask a question. That will help you immensely. We will not look at you any different. We will look at you with knowledge and your pride and respect because you're asking questions. Paper trade first. For a while, that's going to reduce your money loss. It's a lot of money for this college. And everybody's tuition is different. And I haven't seen many people make it under a lot of money to pay for tuition. So slowly learn. Don't lose your money before you can learn. That's why there's only 5% of those people doing it. I end my time.
Good set of words of wisdom. So this green block has been printing. You guys like the green blocks? And I do want to say, like, I could like have advertisements and stuff pop up on YouTube. Like, I keep usually monetized off, but like, I do have this GoFundMe as well. Also have the Discord link if you guys want to join the Discord. This is the GoFundMe so far. Tametheark $1 million travel funds. Anything that you see for $50, that's people that did it to join the Discord. But like
Look at that.
a few people, like 3 people donated for the calls. Most other people did it for the Discord, so up to like $857 out of $1 million. If I had YouTube ad revenue every day, I'd be earning like over $300 per day from YouTube ads. So like $300 per day would be pretty decent, like keeping a stream up, and cause people don't like to like look at ads. I don't like to put ads on there as much. Don't pee in the wind.
Looks like ETH is pushing up here too. Just the old school ETH looking good. It's going for maybe a double top here up at 1696. A lot to go through. Coffee, anybody? Go ETH. Look at this, Tame. Regular ETH. Holy crap. Look at her go. Oh, Bitcoin's off my chart. Went right through my screen.
Hot cup of Doge. Hot cup of
Woo-hoo!
Doge.
Fucking
Show
green
just
block's
ripping.
printing.
See, what time is it? See, usually I'm at
9:24. You'd be at work. You'd be missing this if you was at work.
No, I'd be running to the bathroom like I gotta use. They all think I've got like massive diarrhea and shit, dude. And I really don't
Massive
care,
diarrhea.
but they think I have some like
Rob.
big bathroom problem.
They're
Your
like,
friends from what?
they're gonna be like, we have to
Rob.
cut this guy before we have to pay the insurance for his colonoscopy and everything.
I think they take money out for like toilet paper and toilet flush uses, but I don't even use it.
They make you have to like scan your hand to get to the bathroom.
They count how many times.
Dude, that's a great
No,
idea.
I don't go. I don't
Dude,
go to the
Rob,
bathroom
Rob,
often.
become an investor with me. Let's start up a company right now. It's called the Bathroom Pass. Employees have to scan their hand to get into the bathroom with this pass.
And they got like so much time per week.
No, it tracks it. And if they
That's
go
so
over,
messed
they
up.
get penalized.
That's so messed up. we're gonna be sniped.
Woo! Bitcoin.
Oh, D-Block's got that runner in ETH too. I hope he still. Oh, he does. He ain't selling it. He got it.
I hope so. I hope so. Like
Yeah, you got it. I know he does.
I sure hope so. Tame wants to be a dictator. I don't want to be a dictator, Frank.
He wants to be a dictator.
I just think it's interesting to track employee bathroom usage. Like, why is Rob not working right now? Oh, he went to the bathroom again?
Can we have a sensor thing to show like how much I do in an hour compared to other employees? Yeah. And the more you do, the more bathroom time you get. Friday, I'd just be sitting in the bathroom.
Like if an employee goes to the bathroom 20 times per day, you want to be able to go through and check their productivity.
I don't know, Tame, because what if they're like it's a medical issue, and then you can't do nothing, Hippo.
Yeah, but you still want to track it, right?
I guess.
They can get a certificate, right?
Yeah.
They can get a certificate. Yeah.
So Tame, we all have work, we all have like given work pants, and how some work pants have that little tab in there that has like a barcode inside there. It's like a little tab. So when they go to the laundromat, they can scan them and know where they go.
Like guys,
So
yeah.
There's 2 guys at work that left because they thought they were tracking them in the facility for those. Anyhow.
You want to see something hilarious, Rob?
Sure.
Remember the other day when I was talking about how Michael Berry tweeted sell everything, like sell? I gave people some words of wisdom. I was like, be careful with that, because sometimes when Michael Berry is wrong, he'll delete his tweets. He fucking disabled his Twitter account this morning.
Are you serious?
He disabled his
Holy
whole Twitter
crap.
account because
Did you?
yeah, look at the
Did you make
spy
comments?
ripping. The spy fucking ripped. He disabled his Twitter account.
Yeah, I need to look at some Tesla today.
I don't like that guy for that stuff. Like, imagine if I delete my Twitter account and YouTube just from like a small mistake like he did. Woo! Fucking Bitcoin ran out of the fucking green block.
I know, I gotta get off my screen.
What do you think is going to happen in funding rates in about 2 hours?
I don't know.
That's a good one, Tim. I was thinking about it.
I need to get some Tesla today, though.
What? You're waiting until Tesla's up here to buy it?
No! Well, I already sold with profit. I need to get back in.
I don't know. Sometimes like you take profits on something like that, you have to put the money somewhere else.
No.
It's called balancing your portfolio, Rob. I'll make a video about it, but you want to become rich?
My portfolio is pretty balanced.
Yeah, but buying, like, look, you might make a wash sale. I'm just telling you, because if you buy Tesla a second time, if you lose money on that second trade, you still have to pay the taxes from the first one. You can't wash sell stocks. So if you buy a Tesla and it goes down, you can't sell it down. You have to hold it at least 30 days.
Yeah, I understand that.
All right, as long as you understand.
Yeah. I'd like to see if I get it under 180. I'll feel comfortable with that, and I'm just going to let it run. I'm not going to sell it. A little buys and doji.
I think I focused really good on entries. Like when people were scared earlier, like look at a green block on Bitcoin. They were scared. They were dumping it. They were like, I'm out. And then boom, we fucking rip.
Yep.
I generally
Look
find
at Doge how that is on
like
your
fear.
chart.
When people are like, when I hear a lot of people scared, that's when I start turning bullish.
Max Payne.
Matt's paying like
Max Payne. I was telling them the other day when it was dipping, I was like, oh, they want to feel Max Payne. They're like, Max Payne? I'm like, yup. And they went down probably to Max Payne right when you're like, I'm selling it. And you sell it. They turn it around because they got Max Payne out of you. I've been there so many times.
I'm not really rich from ETHW on my futures bag, but the spot bag is getting there. This futures position was up like over 700% so far.
Nice job.
Some people might be interested. I think I should bring it up. Yesterday you had the Fed meeting. Today you have the same thing for Europe with, instead of Powell, it's a French woman, Christine Lagarde, that's speaking. She's basically saying the same thing as Powell, that she wants to bring inflation down to 2% and that markets, should listen to her, because she's like, what the hell? You guys are making new all-time highs. I'm telling you, I want inflation down. It's pretty funny. And she literally said, you should take ECB seriously. And the markets are just continuing to pump. Because it makes sense. If there's inflation, nothing is really pumping. It's just my money is losing value, so that's why this stock market is putting new all-time highs.
Notice how they want to punish investors rather than stop printing the money.
They can't stop printing. They can just adjust how much they print. They still have to print money anyway, but maybe less than usual.
Meet Kevin,
especially
was on this
with
morning
the energy
too.
crisis. With the energy crisis, then.
Yes, sir. I mean, Germany was dumb for turning off all those nuclears at a very bad time.
They turned their coal factories back online.
Yeah. Rob, this ETHW though. Woo!
What about it? You selling your bag?
No, it's very tempting. Like if I was scalping this, it would be very tempting to like dump it, because you have a high chance of getting like a little bit cheaper, maybe like 5% cheaper, 3%.
Yeah, but then you're gonna get more, but your average is gonna be up there a little bit. I'm okay.
Sometimes I see like giant red candles on ETHW when Bitcoin gets rejected as well, like 11% drops.
Cool.
Making this trade a second time would be fun.
This made a statement.
I can make a statement right now if I press one button, though.
What was that?
I wonder why Michael Berry said sell, though, and then deletes his Twitter account. Did he delete his Twitter account because the market pumped after we got the data? Like, all the technicals are pointing to a potential downtrend on ETHW here, Rob. Like, the RSI is already starting to fall down.
Yes.
Like, I'm wondering how far it will dip. We're already picking up that bearish momentum on the MACD. Like, look at this. If I was like scalping, I see this. Generally, I take profits like what I see down here.
Roger.
But if we get a Binance listing, my God, like, my only concern is that it goes back to my entry. I missed one scalp. That's my only concern.
Markets opened with a pretty huge gap.
Yeah,
interestingly, they did the same thing as 13th of September.
I showed you guys last year, the year before that, how Dogecoin had like big rallies around this time of year. Something to consider. Definitely something to consider. The question I have about ETHW though, like that order for like 2 million, is that same individual or group going to buy another 2 million ETHW on a dip to hold us up? Because if that's the case, I could front run them. Like, we're already getting sell signal. My sell signal is popping up here, and the difference between the buy and sell signal for ETHW is about 12%. The only thing that would invalidate it if it gets another big 2 million buy again. It definitely feels a lot easier to hold a trade, though, after it went up like 15%, if you do think another catalyst will happen to push it up further. Like if there wasn't a chance of this getting listed anywhere, if it's already listed everywhere, people would take profit a lot faster. They've been slow to take profits here. They've been slow to take profits. That's something I'm seeing, but I am seeing a little bit more sell pressure. If you guys want to trade ETHW, I tried to tell you guys yesterday, but you can trade it earlier on METC. You also get a futures bonus on there. You got demo trading and practice demo trading on futures, and then the spot trading's not that bad either. How long has it been since we made a top on ETHW? About 17 minutes, but we've already come down over 3%. Already come down over 3%. I know a lot of this was based off of liquidations, Rob, a lot of those positions. So if there is a little bit of sell pressure, people are going to front run this and push the price to ETHW at least back to maybe around $4.20, $4. Bitcoin's getting a little bit of rejection too. The scalpers, I can see scalpers taking profit, but like long-term holders, I can see that happening as well, because like this thing isn't on Binance yet. So you're looking at it from two perspectives. Now you got some greedy people that are thinking like, do they want to take profits, try to buy back? If they miss it, they just miss an opportunity. I don't want to be that greedy. I'm scared to sell it because I don't know if I could buy it back before a Binance announcement, because this is crazy volume spike. It's like selling Solana when it goes from like $9 to $10 and then it rips up later to 26. You're going to feel bad. So I don't want to miss out on that opportunity. I personally am not selling yet, Seto. I'll post in Discord if I sell. Definitely I'll post in Discord if I sell the ETHW position. I'll put it in Show Off Your Profits channel. Let me check off Show Off Your Profits.
Someone is selling.
Yeah, but someone also... Yeah, people are selling as Bitcoin got rejected up there. Look at...
Get your ETHW here.
Let's look at Show Off Your Profits channel real quick in Discord. Spark won fun 1,100% on a Dogecoin long. OP 83%. Frank did really well. Frank did over 2,899% on a Matic long. Frank says, I was in this trade for too long, but take, I think he meant Tame. Tame method still works 3-0. Thanks, Tame, still the GOAT. Aha. Rocky Road 832% on Bitcoin. Sinlos over 2,500% on Matic. Sorry, Mana. And then over 1,500% on Gala. Go Gala Games. Smoke Tree has been earning pretty decent profits. His last Doge position earned $413. He earned about $350 on an APT short. Before that, $3.47. Yeah, a lot of people posting in this channel now. Even Ali Walker had 84% on Solana. We have Sinlos again on Matic positions. Ali Walker on Solana. Evos Evolved Menace said, should have joined 2 years ago when I first attempted. LOL, so far so good. He's up over $440. His P&L's almost 101%. Got my profits in there. I'll put a little video so people can see dollar value on some of those trades. And I'm trying to hold myself accountable. I need like these profits. I need 1,000 per day minimum. I've already beat that though. I've already earned enough for like over a year's worth of trading in the last 84 days. I came in this year like with that goal, 1,000 per day. And I'm already like beating that goal, but I'm also here a lot too. You guys see my face a lot. Like if you're looking at charts like 10 hours per day, 11 hours per day, and you don't learn anything, probably get off charts. But if you have 10 hours per day, you can search all kinds of stuff on the internet, learn different chart patterns, indicators, and try to find out what's good for you, what fits your schedule, what fits your trading style. My big play right now, I've been holding this ETHW scalp up, and I'm thinking that ETHW, when it gets listed on Binance, price would more than double. That's my imagination, all right? Let me live in that fantasy. Dream it into existence. Because if ETHW goes to $50, that's a 10 times, more than 10 times. But we go to like double, that's highly realistic. 200% is more likely than 1,000%, right, Rob?
Correct.
But if it goes 1,000 and I'm on
You watching
50
Tesla?
times,
You
if I'm on
watching Tesla
50
right now?
times, 50 times leverage and it goes to 1,000, that's up 50,000%.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Look at Tesla stock.
Yeah, my friend texted me about Tesla. Look at the SPY's pushing up. I told her
I
like,
think I bought that dip. What?
I told her like I really think Tesla can be like a very very big company. I told her like it's gonna go. Here, maybe I'll pull up my message on my phone real quick. Let's see. Let's make sure I can not show. I don't want to show any sensitive information, but I want to show my message on Signal. By the way, if you don't use Signal, I recommend using Signal rather than texting on your phone.
What's that?
It's an app that's encrypted. Signal. Also, the guys that made Signal, they also made a cryptocurrency. Man,
I think it's called Signal.
yeah, it's called Signal. That's what I use on my phone, Rob.
What's the cryptocurrency called? Signal?
No. The founder of Signal made another. They made a crypto though, but they're really good with encryption. Let me see what date I like. We talk a lot about stocks. Look at this. Let's see if I can make the camera big real quick. On January 26th, that's me and Tametheark. Tesla should be above $200 in the coming months. They had a great earnings report yesterday.
Bam.
Bam. Bam. And she was able to get her Tesla shares at $106. If you're losing money, it's your fault in the markets. If you're losing money, it has to be 100% your faults in these markets. No, crypto, the founder of Signal made a crypto, but it's not related to Signal app. Like the founder of Signal CEO, Motsi Marlene Spike, has served as an advisor to the mobile coin cryptocurrency, which is built on the Stellar blockchain. How Signal is playing with fire. Cause Signal is really about encryption, right? But they were trying to push into like end-to-end like untraceable payments as well. But after that, they started getting a little bit of pushback. So there is that. Let's put the charts back on this view. You see everything. Oh man, Rob, look at Bitcoin.
Oh man.
Market's very volatile this morning, I'll tell you that. Bitcoin was running with the SPY, but SPY is already coming back down.
Hey, Tame, Dogecoin took about 5-10 minutes to transfer. Is that normal?
Where did you send it from? Did you
From
send
my
it?
from my spot exchange, but that's what I'm wondering. Did they slow it down? It just seemed to take 5 minutes. That was a bit weird.
No, your exchange slowed it down. The blockchain on Doge is way faster than that.
That's what I thought, because last time it was quick. All right, thank you.
Yeah, they had to go find the Doge.
Thank you.
Well, they should be a bit faster with all the fees they charge, but anyway.
Mhm.
Must be all that insurance.
Maybe. Oh, Bitcoin's coming down hard. Rob, I don't know, like pulling the plug on ETHW, like, oh, it's so tempting.
It is tempting. It is tempting.
What would D-Block say?
Profits are profits. Somebody lost money by taking profits.
Yeah, that's true. Well, before you do, geez.
D-Block would say that nobody has ever lost money taking profits.
That is exactly true.
Man,
How-
think about the psychology of this. Everything is bleeding down, but ETHW is holding right there. Think about that psychology.
Yeah. Me holding too
insane.
is helping it stay too. Everybody holding is helping keep the price up.
Can you hold it for? Let me know if you're thinking about pulling the plug as well. Because we should not do it back to back. We should not do it back to back. We should spread it out.
I wouldn't do that now.
We should do like, don't close like 100%. Like do like 10,000 contracts here, 10,000, 10,000, 10,000.
Yeah, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that.
I'm up.
I'd make it visible what's happening.
I'm up nearly 48% on the coin at the moment.
Nice.
We may be able to get another green block, YouTube, if we come through this liquidation block. Like, look at this. My Doge chart fucked up. Let me refresh this one real quick.
Where's Drew with the droppets?
Well, I was.
Oh, look
hoping,
at 30 seconds. Look at 30 seconds. We're already recovering from that dip.
Yes, unfortunately, because there's a buy at 635. It's still not filled. I'm waiting for that for now. 24 hours. Patience.
Dude, my green blocks just got fucking deleted again. Like, my chart, I had to refresh it.
Nice.
I'm gonna hit save every single time. Like, but everything was like bleeding down, but ETHW is still holding strong. Something's there. Somebody's buying it. They're buying more of it during this dip on the altcoins.
Yeah, look at this. Look at this thing.
Yo, this
Good thing we didn't sell. Look at this.
You hit my buy order, and now that was nice on Doge. I had one like right in the bottom.
My God Almighty. What? Maybe this is good. Like 9. Yeah, this is. I'm gonna say it's good we didn't sell when Binance listing comes. Crypto is very volatile this morning, YouTube.
Yeah, the ECB conference added some volatility in Europe, and she ended with a very positive message, I guess, saying we're not in a recession, we're at 0.
So the $50 that you're paying, that's just for verification and joining the Discord. I don't do classes. I don't teach people stuff in the Discord. You're just paying that fee. You can join Discord, come in here and hang out, speak with us. You can look at the text channels when I post stuff and text channels, stuff like that. But I don't do classes. I do make some videos, though, that people can see, like trading indicators and stuff that kind of help. Like, very simple trading indicators. And you could have made so many good trades in the last 2 years with those indicators. And they're basic, like RSI, MACD, Golden Cross, Williams Alligator.
Oh, the alligator.
We just made another high on the ETHW there, about $4.60.
Nice.
You're welcome.
Yeah, so I sold on the top there, and then I bought it back on the little dip.
I already checked my email, Vago. I don't see any new emails. I already replied to all the emails that hit me up this morning with their questions and stuff. I don't like to teach trading, though. I don't like to teach trading because I think people need to learn their self first, their human psychology. Because if you're greedy, you gamble, you have a lot of fear, you're not going to be a good trader. So make sure you know yourself before you start trading.
Throw a 20 on that windshield wiper and drive down the freeway. Once you don't feel anything when it flies away, you're ready to trade.
Where did I learn trading? Trial and error. I learned the hard way, so you don't have to. I had to like search for all this stuff, like, and my Discord helps me learn new stuff as well. My Discord helps me connect with other traders, so sometimes we'll talk about indicators we're using. Like people like D Block showed me this liquidation indicator. Drew Crypto showed me the parabolic SAR, which is a nice, cool indicator. There's just so much trial and error. But I also grew up playing computer games and trading in those games, so it gets easier. I'll put a video of my 200 times strategy in the Discord, and I'll put a trading indicator video in the Discord as well. Man, that psychology on people, Rob. They see ETHW up after everything just did a big drop. They are going to be like, what the fuck? I made a lot of indicator videos, though.
I only managed to see one thing.
I should make a
couldn't find the
playlist.
other one.
Like, I did how to use indicators to secure profits. That video only had 631 views. That was 8 months ago. Let me share that one as well. That one's very good because it's very easy to see. And this video is old. It only has 600 views, so I'll reshare it. I'm not making these videos to get a lot of views. Just sometimes, like, somebody asks me something, so I'll make a custom video. So if you look in charts, go to charts, I'll put this video. It's a good video. I'll put it in there for you.
Hey, Tame, I took a position in ETHW before I went to bed last night on what you were saying about it. I put 300 into it, not a lot, but it's looking nice.
Nice, Walt. How do you feel?
Congrats.
You feel happy this morning? Do you feel so happy that you want to take profits, or you're trying to hold it longer?
Oh, I'm definitely going to hold it longer to that Binance listing.
That Binance listing might not come for a year. Are you willing to take that risk?
Absolutely. The reward, I mean, what else are you going to do with it? I mean, I think it's definitely well worth it, and I don't think a year's a long time.
He's a smart man.
Man,
Got a bunch of smart people in here.
Man, everything was like bleeding down after. Like, that's a good pump. I had a green block here earlier, YouTube. I swear, but my chart I had to refresh it. I already put it in Discord.
Yeah, why is it deleting them?
Well, I had to refresh it. I didn't save it.
Oh.
I was lazy. I accidentally deleted the liquidation indicator for Doge, so I refreshed it because I didn't save it from before. Man, putting my money in ETHW yesterday on the green block, though, and waking up this morning while everything else is dipping, and I even shorted Doge yesterday, took profits on Doge short. Woo! Woo!
Insane.
Woo! I'm too happy. Like, usually when I'm this happy and I don't take profits, price sometimes comes down. I hope that Doge comes back up soon for the people holding Doge, though.
No, I hope it comes back down so I can load my bags more. Come on. Put some brakes on this, please.
Woo! ETHW.
That's great.
Man. Oh, my ETHW chart's a little bit wonky. What the fuck? Did my there it goes. I mean, we don't need the time, but I do want to see all the candles. There it goes. That was a big rip up this morning, and things started coming down. Like, Bitcoin started following the SPY quite hard.
So, Tane, do you think people wake up to that as like now they're all waiting?
Well, for the stock the other day when people took profits on that one stock, I understand that. I'm curious if your Tesla is going to follow the SPY though. Tesla dipped a little bit this morning, but still getting some buys. Tesla was down a lot from all-time high though.
About the little dip there. Lilium's doing good today too. CRYM's doing good. Lilium's doing good. I'm happy.
So, if you're starting out futures, I definitely recommend that demo trading on METC. Don't use any real money. Don't use any real money. And do METC for like a few months. See how many times you get liquidate. And try to fine tune your strategy without over leveraging. Man, Rob. ETHW. Man, imagine you took Doge profits yesterday and put it into ETHW. And you see Doge came down all day yesterday without Elon tweet. But it didn't come down a lot. It didn't come down a lot. Matic went up a lot. $1.25. It came close to that $1.26. Oh, Bitcoin's bleeding down through this liquidation block. Oh, Bitcoin's bleeding, Rob. Bitcoin's bleeding.
Ew. Gross. Doge is bleeding too.
So with
Doge
futures,
breaks this, we're going down here. Here we go.
Yeah, futures, you only lose what's in the your account. Like you can lose everything in your cross margin though if you have cross margin turned on or auto deposit turned on. But if you just use isolated, you lose what's in that isolated position. But sometimes if you lose an isolated position, it gets liquidated. You also lose more money in your cross. Dude, Rob, ETHW, like, surprising. Look at it. It didn't dump with Bitcoin.
No, it's gonna go, man. I'm not letting go of this. I'll buy
$5.
the top right here, Tame, and still feel comfortable.
We're almost to $5 on ETHW.
I'm not buying the top though. I need some more coffee. I feel like I'm in a dream.
We got another green block. All right, Matic can finally get inside this green block, by the way, YouTube.
Finally got unlazy and bought ETHW. It's like $10, so at least I got a little bag there. I'm waiting for it to dip now.
This green block's going to be risky. Market's very volatile, but scalps are scalps. I don't judge. I do not judge. Scalps are scalps. That's why I made the website onlyscalps.com. Still working on it, but
I just wanted to make an ETHW wallet.
We're bleeding down.
Guys,
bleeding down.
Probably go down to 9 cents, huh?
Oh, ETHW's down lots, Rob.
Yeah, that's not too bad.
No, that's
I'm
bad.
not too concerned about that.
Bad. That's bad.
What, on ETHW?
Yeah, that's a bad drop. 4% in one candle. Like somebody dumping like that's the biggest sell volume we've had since that push for ETHW.
Okay, cool. First time ever. Go ahead and mark it. And then when we scroll back, you have to scroll down and go look at it.
Yeah. Man, we are bleeding.
Damn, look at this. Oh my God.
We're trying to hit all the liquidations.
How much more we got on Doge here?
Well, here's my fear, Rob. If Bitcoin goes down too low, people would probably swap some ETHW for Bitcoin at these levels. Like you take profits from thing at the top, you put it in thing that drop.
It's true.
But on a macro level, like we know, like if ETHW gets listed on Binance, what would happen? But I do feel like somebody's slowly taking profits and they're not telling us. If they're slowly taking profits, they bought 2 million, and this candle right here was about 923,000, and we didn't even push down halfway. I drew a green block. This is our second green block of the day.
I just think if it goes down, Tam, I'm just gonna buy more, man.
The first green block, like, is weird. My first green block was down here, and then we spiked up. Now the second green block's right here. We're kind of like bleeding down. Doge does have liquidations. I put it on here earlier, down to 8.9. So let me tell you guys, like the best feeling in trading, you catch a bottom of dip also. So around 0.895, Doge has liquidations all the way down there. Woo. The SPY is bleeding. SPY is getting close to this 200 EMA. Like it's pushed so much in the last 2 days. Like, it pushed up over 3% in 2 days. Not really normal for the SPY to do that. So having a retracement on the SPY, like even a 0.5% would be big. If we knew when the listing would be, it would be easier to say like if you want to take profits or not as well. Oh, Polygon's live. They have a Twitter space right now. Polygon is saying navigating the future of cross-chain solutions. Someone added like another $1 million to liquidity for HEPs. Come on, Bitcoin. Oh, dude, Rob, the SPY's getting some buys coming back in here. Very fucking volatile morning. The SPY's getting some more buys coming back in here. My God almighty. That's beautiful. Fucking gold. Gold right there.
Yeah, the Dow's was down like 250. It's down like 140 now, so that's coming back too.
Yeah. Someone was taking profits on some ETHW up there at the top, though. I saw it after we went to like 460. They went until that 460 and then 461, and then boom, the big volume came. But even after that big volume, we didn't push down too far, about 3%. And then some of these other coins are trying to recover from that dip. If they don't recover, like if Bitcoin goes like under 21,000, Rob, some of these people that are in ETHW, like they would probably pull the plug, they take their profits, buy up more Bitcoin or something like that. That's the problem. Like when Bitcoin bleeds hard and alt's pumped, people generally take profits on that alt and buy some Bitcoin on the dip. That's why when the altcoins run first, it gives Bitcoin so much gas.
So you're saying you're selling your ETHW, huh?
Well, here's the thing. I can't get more contracts anyways if I sell it. I'll have a little bit more dry powder, but I can still only do that 150,000 contracts.
Ah. So you might as well hold them.
Yeah, the only way I would do it if I knew for a fact they would go back to that my entry or close to the entry.
I'm the proud owner of 7 ETHW, 7.1.
Nice. Congratulations.
I see huge sell pressure, Rob. I'm seeing huge sell pressure.
Times that by 50.
I'm seeing these profits wipe away. I'm seeing like the biggest sell pressure on the ETHW. Like these two bars right here, that's big sell pressure.
Also has to dump.
The reason it pushed up so far as well this morning, we hit those liquidations. Like it's already curling. Touch that moving average 435. It's like by the time it touched that confirmation, it's going to be too late for people to pull the plug as well. Like at that 430, close from 430 to 4 is not that far of a drop, and like it's a lot of gains erased.
The funding rates, what time does it come out?
So here's the thing: funding rates get paid out in 55 minutes. ETHW funding rate, a lot of people started shorting it because the funding rate went to only 0.0025%. So I see a lot of people shorting ETHW on METC, Rob. A lot of people started shorting it. So it did lose a little bit of that bullish momentum up there. Doge funding rate is still positive 0.036%. Like Doge is an expensive funding rate. But yeah, a lot of people starting to short ETHW on METC, Rob.
Roger Dodger.
Mm-hmm. I'm pulling the plug, Rob. I'm pulling the plug. I'll buy it back later.
Oh, God, hold on. No, I'm just kidding.
500%. I walked away 500%. I pulled the plug.
Not bad. Not bad. Congratulations.
I'm going to highlight the candle. I'll highlight the candle with a white. Profits are profits. Let's see if people buy up. I took profits on it. If I can get it back before a Binance listing, great. If not, I do know that my lovely Doge is dipping. So my logic is like, if I don't get it back, I can get Doge on a big dip before an Elon catalyst. That's my logic.
You'll be back.
Yeah, I'll be back.
I'll be back.
I will be back.
I'll be back.
If we can bleed down hard though, like I definitely would buy a falling knife if ETHW did a falling knife.
Oh, I'd grab that up like no other. Could happen.
So I took profit on ETHW. Let's see if this plays out. If I can get one more scalp before Binance list. I did so many scalps, and my mindset every time is like, oh, can I keep doing scalps? Can I take profits and buy back? And most of the times I was able to do that. So currently, I'm hoping. I don't want to pay too much though. The only reason that I did it though, I see us downtrending a little bit, and I also see Doge bleeding. Elon did not do the McDonald's commercial yet, so I do think that I could get Doge cheap if I don't get this ETHW cheaper.
I'm proud of Doge. It's been holding up pretty good.
Yes, sir.
Hey, when you say Doge cheap, are you talking 895?
Well, yeah, if I can get Doge on that bleeding knife down at the bottom of that liquidation, I would expect it to do a good bounce. Even right here is a lot cheaper than yesterday. But it's still, like, more expensive than a while back.
Yeah, I realize that. I'm trying to look for a good entry point in that. I made some, I took some profit yesterday on Ethereum.
Well,
and I got
today
some
is
dry
very
powder.
volatile. Today is
So
very
you thinking
volatile.
895 should be a good entry, or not bad, or what are your thoughts?
Well, we hit 895, but we'll have a bounce from there. But are we going to hold after that bounce? Maybe not.
I'm just going to sit tight then and watch.
But here's the other question. I got another question for you. You think you'll be able to buy your Doge before Elon does a McDonald's collaboration? And we double in price. And we double in price. So then you're not going to have any debate like, oh, did I buy it here like a little bit cheaper? 0.3% cheaper, 3% cheaper? Nah.
No, I agree. I'm going to put the buy order in at 895.
I have a lot of Doge on spot, so I'm not really worried about that. And I have these futures positions that I'm trading on Doge as well. So that when Elon does do something, like, it will fucking rip. Yeah, Rob, that sell pressure on ETHW scared me out of my position. Made me take my profits.
I will keep an eye on it.
And I'll jump back in if we do a 10-15% drop. Just the idea that I can do that trade a second time. Also, you might say I was a little bit greedy with that decision. A little bit greedy with that decision. You guys want to trade on the exchange I'm trading, you want to trade ETHW early, great. I posted last night. I also just posted in Discord as well. You can look at the charts. I posted at 10:06. My exit on ETHW is not bad. Is that... Where did I close my order? The fuck? That's weird. 440.
Apparently, Elon's going to do something with McDonald's, with Doge. That's what he's saying.
So $4.40 was my take profits. Let's find out if Tametheark gets to put those profits into Doge or has to buy the ETHW higher. It's a gamble. I earned so much from that trade, like I could be done trading for a week. A little bit more than a week. YouTube chat, Trending Life says, dump it. Here we go, round 2. Facebook's up 25% because they had good earnings chasing the dream. They had a good quarter. And Facebook earning was good for Matic yesterday. Facebook earning was good for Matic. How you feeling today, Rob? Woke up in a lot of green. Like, ETHW is still up higher price than when you woke up this morning, right?
Yep, I'm on cloud 9.
You're happy. Like, if you're on spot, that's a different story, but that futures contract play that I did, and if you're in a futures position as well, it already dipped under my exit like 3 times.
Still looking for spreaders.
Yeah, it's
Open mic.
really
Careful what you're spreading.
Careful what you're spreading.
the
Please
Scott
don't say
one
something.
has bad reviews. The part that drives it is plastic, and people say it keeps breaking.
Yeah, don't buy that crap.
Yeah, if it's plastic and keeps breaking,
But-
definitely don't want it on your car engine.
Yeah.
You know, I lost the push to talk button on my Discord on my phone, and that's the 3rd time now I have had an open mic, and I apologize.
That's weird. How did it disappear from your phone?
That's a good question. On my tablet, I'm fine because I got a certain key selected for the mic, but now the it's gone. It
Yeah,
just disappeared.
And this it's because you probably have push to talk off and it disappears.
Maybe.
Okay, where can I find that?
Bottom right hand.
It depends, like if you're using Android or iPhone.
Oh, do people use Android still?
Yeah, Android's great.
Really? I've never used
Amazing.
it.
The Android phone, like there's Android phones better cameras now than iPhone.
Who cares? But then the iPhone will have a better camera next year. You're going to keep swapping. That's a stupid argument.
Well, some people, like some apps don't even load on iPhone. Also, the Apple Pay paywall for some apps in their store, you cannot just put the SDKs as simple.
You just pay $99 US a year to have the SDK there if you want it.
That's more than my fucking phone. The fuck?
Yeah, for the developer, yeah.
I'm talking about I can make my own app, make an SDK file, and put it on my Android. Very simple. Not going to the
Yeah, you
Apple
can-
store.
Oh, you make more money if you sell apps on App Store, Apple App Store.
Man, Rob, ETHW is still like trying to kick it up here while everything else is like still dipping. As long as I buy it back a little bit cheaper, I'll still have that same number of contracts and the same amount of money. But I'm a little bit hesitant right here. I'm just watching. Still watching.
Yeah, have a great profit and ETHW.
Like if I can get it 10 cents cheaper, I'm happy with that too. Like I'll have like more money with the same number of contracts.
You think it will never go? You think it will never go lower than this again, Tame?
Well, no, I'm not saying that. I think it might not go lower than $3 again. But from here, and market's very volatile right now. I don't know.
Of course, it will come lower.
Yeah,
It will come lower than this price now, of course.
Well, maybe, but at $3, I don't think we'll see $3 again.
No.
It's getting less realistic, that $3, as we do these gaps up. So we are oversold again on the 5 minutes for Doge right there. It's not too much buy pressure, and the SPY is like dipping this morning, but getting a little bit of buys coming here now at 10 o'clock. We should have all the data and stuff out for those hedge funds for their trades. I don't know, Rob. I might end up buying the ETHW a little bit higher. It's going to be like I'm going to give it some time.
It's not worth it. Yeah, I'm going to give it a minute here.
I'll give it time. I'm not pressed. Like, if I don't buy the ETHW, I'm going to buy Doge. If my order for Doge doesn't fill on the liquidation block, but also Matic is looking a little bit more attractive too because of what Facebook's doing. The SPY's really trying to push up for another high though. The SPY's really trying. SPY's really trying. Why do I have 3 orders? Oh, there, this way. The SPY is pushing back up from that dip. Like, the buy pressure is there. Buy pressure is there. Check this out real quick. Are the market makers going to stomp people out of positions before we go back up? Just one push. It's a good one. Like, they already got stomped out right here. I don't know if there's enough gas to push it down another $300 per Bitcoin. If the SPY gets rejected one more time, it would be interesting up there. SPY's really trying to push up for another daily top right there. That's the thing that's concerning to me.
See the Doge order book?
Yeah. Like, cause that SPY is really pushing. And if it gets rejected though. Woo, it's crazy. It's crazy.
It's crazy. Okay.
Oh, I said 835. My bad. 895 is down here where Doge could possibly get down from liquidations. So traders have to consider that risk. But we're already like kind of recovering down here.
Trying.
Trying, yes. The SPY is really trying to get up there. Like if the SPY breaks 415 and keeps ripping, that would be good for crypto.
All right, I figured out my push to talk button. Yay.
Congrats.
Yeah, I have an iPhone, and man, everything's like so deeply rooted in different menus and everything. I got it.
We didn't have any doubts.
What the? All right, let's see, Rob. I got a little bit more Dogecoin. DCA'd a little bit more into Doge rather than ETHW. Let's see if I made the wrong move. Profits are profits, though. My God. The SPY is really trying. It's a very volatile day, by the way. That Doge funding rate is positive 0.03%. ETHW funding rate, we get funding rates in about 35 minutes. 35 minutes till funding rates. ETHW funding rate is very close to like becoming negative. That means people have started shorting it up there from the top. It's very funny. That was a big push for fucking... Oh, there goes the SPY trying to push one more time. I'll miss out on some profits if Dogecoin doesn't go up at a higher percentage than the ETHW from up here. So if Dogecoin can recover and get these liquidations, at that top side it's about 7%. ETHW gets listed on Binance, we're gonna break the chart. So if I didn't have a spot bag on the ETHW, I would have never taken profits on my futures. That spot bag on the ETHW keeping me satisfied though. I'll make enough money from that spot bag if ETHW gets listed on Binance that I will be a very happy camper as well. Usually on spot you put way more money than on futures, because on futures you could lose it if you get liquidated. You can get stop loss, so many big losses along the way.
Where can you store ETHW at?
No, they have spot trading on METC.
Oh, like where can you store it?
That's a good
Can't
question.
yet, or you know what I mean?
Well, if you go to the ETHW, like
the whole Doro.
Yeah. I'm just doing it on METC right now.
I wouldn't have too much that you'd be worried too much. Like if you lost it, because you could lose all of it, and do you know what I mean?
You can set up the ETHW wallet though. Like in MetaMask, you can have.
Oh, they have an ETHW wallet in MetaMask.
Yeah,
Okay,
so you
okay.
can put the Ethereum.
Oh.
Yeah, you can put the
Oh,
ETHW on your MetaMask.
Through ERC20.
Yeah. No, it's not.
What?
No, ETHW is not
Good.
ERC20, Rob.
It's its own network.
Yeah.
Roger that. Thank you.
Here, I'm gonna.
It's got to be E something.
I'll put it in announcements tab.
Oh, thank you. Well, if I just invest a fair amount, I'd like to make sure it's somewhat mine.
Like you're holding it.
Yeah, And I bet you people out there obviously want to hear that too and know where to store it if they have it.
I'm just saying, Rob, be careful with these more like your Doge. That's important, but these ones.
And you can even set up like a separate MetaMask if you're afraid to like link your. But this is like it's showing you just a guide, and you can do like a test deposit.
Wait, I'm confused. Hold on. Be worried about. Be safe about what?
Like
I'm just saying, like
No.
don't put so much into ETHW that you'd be so concerned if you know what I mean? Like,
oh yeah, I got this.
I don't know. Like you could stack up shitloads in your MetaMask, and then ETHW could go down. And I'm just saying, like, keep it balanced. That's all.
So if you get into like
I've been down this
ETHW,
road.
if you get into like ETHW like NFTs and stuff in the future, you can do like a separate wallet for that as well.
But thank you, sir. I will definitely keep that in mind.
No worries.
I'm not putting the kitchen sink in there.
Yeah, good. That's awesome.
Yeah, a couple grand at 200x. No, I'm just kidding.
So I took profits from ETHW. I put it into Doge. My question is, but Doge is higher leverage. So Doge only has to go up like 25%. So if Doge goes up 7%, ETHW has to go up 28% to make the same amount of profits for me for my trade. I'm not going to do any more free Discord memberships on YouTube. Like last people like
Nope, that's over.
They troll. So no. You really want to be in Discord? $50 is not a lot.
Yeah, I worked pretty hard. I worked hard for that money and it went to waste. That really sucks. Few people came in here I liked, but dude.
Yeah. Like if you haven't earned $50 in the last 2 years, 3 years watching the channel or like working, probably not belong in Discord. Probably need to develop yourself a little bit deeper and then you can get into trading. Nah, like people that beg for Discord definitely know.
It's great how you made them switch it to Doge or a cryptocurrency, because then it helps them at least let you know that they know how to do some type of crypto exchanging.
Right.
The basics before you come in. That's good. That's kind of like that.
But yeah, people can pay with crypto as well.
He made me pay with blood. It was messed up, man.
DNA sample.
So about a piece of hair from my firstborn. It's crazy.
Yeah, SHIB could probably go up off after like they have the Shibarium. Like SHIB is spiking, Rob.
Really?
It's up
Shibby?
3% in 3 minutes. It's up 1% per minute.
Wow.
SHIB is up 1% per minute.
Oh wow, look at that candle. Holy crap, Allah.
Yes, sir.
Wow, that's crazy.
What goes up fast could also come down fast. Do you guys want to add SHIB to the main chart? I think SHIB, because they're getting closer to Shibarium. Matic's also getting close to a catalyst. Let's add SHIB up here. But Shibarium would probably be very big.
Damn, SHIB's like breaking.
Oh, my price doesn't work. The price doesn't work. What is this, Trading View? What kind of glitch is this?
It's decimal, please.
I know, but why? Let's add a little bit more. I don't know why I have my decimal places over there. Let's do this one's good. SHIB is blowing up.
Oh, that's like nearly 4%.
Is there any news that
Well,
will make?
we know they were getting closer and closer to Shibarium, and Shibarium's gonna make it like layer 2. Yes, sir.
I don't. To be honest, I don't like SHIB. You know, with that Doge killer.
Yeah, it's weird they call it Doge Killer. Doge is far from dead. Doge
But
is
I know
far
there's a
from
lot
dead.
of people that hope for SHIB to go up.
Yeah. I wonder if it's going to do a big retrace after that.
It might have just started though, you know. Could be in the 2 or 3 candles of this or more.
Yeah, I'm watching it.
You could.
I put it on.
Yep.
Yeah, that's why I put it on the chart.
Oh, you got it up there? Oh, okay. I see.
Yeah, because the Shibarium layer 2 would make it like pump. A lot of traders were waiting for that.
Yeah, looks like we're looking at the start of it. If not, just retrace, you know. It could. Order book's pretty darn full.
Okay, Doge is ripping. My ETHW profits into Doge paid off. I put a small bag into ETHW, like very small bag, Rob.
See that?
Just
nice. I did the same thing, by the way.
Just small. I like putting like a very small amount so I can get those big screenshots, like super high percentage. Like a small bag, I'll let it ride until the end of Earth. On January 15th, they introduced like the Shibarium Layer 2 network, and they started talking about it. Yesterday, BitGet listed Shiba Inu's Bone token for trading. Nothing official from SHIB yet this morning. That is very interesting. Doge is up a lot though. Man, if Dogecoin can rip again, I can take. If Doge rips, I can get those profits back into ETHW, so I can even buy it back at a higher price and still have more money.
It'd be cool if one was dipping, the other one's ripping.
I'll be right back.
That'd be cool. I've been really wanting to play with XRP again, but haven't been looking at it for a while.
I thought was it SHIB bone was like a catalyst to burn SHIB?
Yeah, something like that. Fish bone to burn to poo or.
When did you look at XRP last, Rob?
A couple weeks ago. I'm peeking at it now, but I got to feel the flow of the chart. You know what I mean? I don't want to just jump in.
Of course.
It's up here too, you know.
How it feels like it moves.
Yeah. I just put it on the list again, you know what I mean? Kind of bring it back in, see how she's doing. If not, I'll put her back out. I'm just bringing her to the back burner.
That price on SHIB is a bit nostalgic because when I got on SHIB, I don't know, a year and a half ago, it was 997.
Oh, really?
So this is very close. Good morning, by the way.
Good morning, Binance.
Good morning, sir.
What? Grayscale's adding more SHIB to their portfolio? Not really. That's fake news. Come on, guys. That's fake news. People with fake news out there. I tell you. People will tweet about anything. I wonder if that's like a fake pump and it's just gonna like retrace though. Because the only thing I see on Twitter, like people posting that it already went up.
Yeah, but you know, Shib family is crazy.
I know, but what if that push was just for those liquidations and we're coming back down?
Oh, it went through some liquidations.
By the way, the SPY just made another high, 416.08. So Tesla is also up to 191. I saw the SPY futures was like bouncing around. SHIB's very volatile right here.
Oh yeah, look at it.
Like if it retraces, that would be a big retrace, like 3%. But it's also up significantly from that 1-1 range. Like it's already up over 10% from like last 2 days.
Yeah, she's warm, isn't she?
What the fuck? Shit. 1 second. I got a little problem right here. I'm gonna fit on my chart. There we go. I mean, it could be a few candles of this, like you mentioned, though. It could even bull flag out here for a while.
Yeah, like a little arch around and back up. Not like a cup and handle. But...
I mean, I would rather catch the bottom of a bull flag, like if it came down like 122 or lower.
Yeah.
But
Let's see if it retraced half the candle.
But I did a very small bag at like a pump, so I'm in profits. But I would prefer something else.
You got over there quick.
Yeah.
You fast.
Reminder, if you guys want to trade on the same exchange we're trading on, I'll put that link in the chat. Discord link is in the video description for that application. Yeah, I think a few more candles of this is very possible.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
So I'm up more money if I would have just held the ETHW by putting it into Doge on the dip. So
how's ETHW doing?
Well,
that's right.
It's okay. Like Doge is already up 1.3%. ETHW would have to go up over 5% to get the same amount. So 5% about $4.60. But every percent Doge goes up, ETHW has to go 4 to be similar profits. Man, Facebook having over 2 billion active users. Can you imagine like 2 billion people coming to your platform every day and even 1% like minting NFTs on Matic? When they get that news on Matic and more development, I think Matic is going to be ripping faces off. Hopefully it retraces first, though.
Think so?
Hopefully it retraces first.
Wasn't they pushed before the news, by the rumor?
Well,
oh, that was already news. Never mind.
Yeah, well, the Facebook earning made Matic go up, right? Good earnings for Facebook, Matic pump. Elon Musk buys Twitter, Doge pumps. So now these altcoins are getting like a social media or a corporation connected to them, which is also very interesting this year.
Shabib.
Man, a lot of things like, look, we had to push up this morning. People took profits. Another buy. We're pushing up. So it's a very interesting day.
Maybe a stepping day, stair step. Maybe.
Yeah.
Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell.
Buy,
Then
sell, buy, sell.
China dump. New York pump, China dump.
Well, China's opening. So actually, a lot of Chinese stocks were pumping in the last week.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's good. That's good. Well, because they're opening up and all that stuff.
ETHW, come on. I want ETHW to go up, troll up, but I want Doge to go up more. I don't mind jumping back in at a higher price. I mean, I can only do 150,000 contracts. Right? Only 150,000. Come on, Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. You can do it. You can do it. Put your back into it. Come on, Bitcoin. You're an old man. You can push. You're older than these young guys on the block like ETHW and Doge and Shiba Inu, but you can push. Carry them. Carry them up. Yeah, after that push up for Shiba, just lots of sell pressure, Rob. Very interesting there.
Yeah, we'll see what happens right here.
Yeah, I want to see if it flag out. So
that's what I'm looking at. Needs to stay right here and a little dance up. It could get a little second topper there. Even at least we retest, at least. Probably a big sell off up there, and if it gets bought up, it'll push. But
yeah, well,
we'll all see, won't we?
If it was just like an artificial pump, because ETHW sometimes also has low volume, but SHIB from like altcoins perspective also has low volume.
Right, so it wouldn't take much, right?
Right, but if there's like an update, like it would have a little bit more merit. Let's see if we can break this bull flag pattern on SHIB though. If it breaks the bull flag, great. If it doesn't break the bull flag, we come down hard. People are going to start shorting it, ironically, while everything else is pumping. I paid a higher price for my ETHW, Rob. You're welcome for the green wick.
Oh.
You're welcome for the green fucking wick.
Where's your entry? If you don't mind me asking, you don't have to say. It's up to you.
$4.51.
Hey, you never
I
buy
think that's a good deal, though, man.
Yes, but here's the thing. Look, I wanted the same number of contracts. You can only buy 150,000 contracts. But I took profits here. I put it in Doge. Doge ripped up more than 1%, so I made a lot of money. And I was able to put it back in the ETHW.
Doge looks like it's a little flaggy here, too, on the short term.
I'll put in share your interest.
My ETHW's almost in profits. Thanks, Tame.
Hey. No, that's you. You did it.
Can you just do that a couple more times for me?
Hey, Tame, your voice is on mute on YouTube.
Really? No, it's not. I'm not talking on YouTube. I see my mic working. It works on YouTube.
Would you just post, Tame? I missed it.
My entry price.
Oh, okay. Oh, and
4.519.
You holding it?
I could have taken profit the moment I entered.
I know.
I made the candle, kind of.
Yeah, I think it's still pretty healthy.
It's very risky though. I will say that.
Oh yeah, no risk.
But I'm not like I'm far from liquidation on ETHW because I'm actually glad METC did this. Like, there's a limit to number of contracts. I would have went balls deep.
Right.
Yeah, if you live in New York, you can use METC. I'll put that link in the chat. People hear me on YouTube. Yeah, OP is almost $3. It was less than $1. Like, Matic's going to surprise people as well when it crosses $2 range. If Matic crosses $2, people are going to be surprised. Today's going to make me cry or happy. This morning I'm already happy. But the moment I was the happiest, ETHW is around 460. I could have like pulled the plug there. I need to remind myself, when you're very happy, very, very happy, take those profits. Like when the guy on Discord is up over 300%.
When you're happy and you know it, sell your profits. Oh, sorry.
Why is somebody tagging me on Twitter from a post in 2021? Come on. I think that's Florida. Why are you tagging me in a post from 2021 Florida? I'm not even going to reply to it. It's irrelevant. Be careful what you tag me with on Twitter if you don't want to get blocked. You tag me in any of these NFT scams and stuff, automatically blocked on Twitter. You can use METC in Texas as well, but the company is based out of Singapore. You don't have to KYC to get the high leverage.
Are you KYCing?
Yeah, I'm doing KYC, but I'm different level for KYC because, Rob, I plan to withdraw more than like 10 Bitcoin per day in the future.
Right. I do want to. I should KYC then, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because you don't know, like, if something pops off and like your portfolio goes up to like millions of dollars, what are you gonna do? Withdraw one Bitcoin per day?
Right. Oh my God.
I mean, if that's your biggest problem in the world, only being able to withdraw 1 Bitcoin per day, it's not a big problem.
Right. All right, I'll try to KYC here. Well, I should be fine.
I thought about what some traders are doing, Rob, to like put money from one of their accounts to another account, and it's disgusting. They lose a little bit of money when they're doing it, by the way. They take an altcoin.
Rob, you can.
How they do it?
They take an altcoin that's not really moving, that's very low volume. They'll buy it up on one account, put a sell limit up, and then market buy on the second account on the other exchange.
Oh my God. I hope they get hit up for that.
Hackers do that. Hackers love to do that. Because it's very hard to trace if you do that in Tornado Cash.
Like, give me 1 second here.
How do you
it's traceable.
If they start doing that with the ETHW, it will be above $7.
If you're allowed to, Rob, I'd KYC for sure.
You're allowed to
what
KYC.
If you have any? Yeah, if you've got any credential issues or anything that if you're KYC, it's like a bit of a guarantee there.
Will SHIB break the bull flag? Let's see what YouTube thinks. Let's do a poll. Will break above bull flag? Yes. No. You guys think we're going to break above this bull flag?
I think if Bitcoin keeps pumping, that's a big possibility. People are getting bullish in general, you know.
Yeah, you can KYC on METC in the US. You don't have to KYC, but I like to KYC.
I like to KYC.
I like the government to see like how much I'm earning so they can like start thinking like, hey, let's make this for everybody else.
Just if I lost my credentials or something and my money's in there, and if I've KYC'd, then I can contact them with my passport. I would have thought that's a good idea.
CZ Binance says a lot of crypto people in the United Arab Emirates now. There are crypto conferences every day nonstop.
Really?
Yeah, like I was gonna go
We should
Dubai for a meetup.
We should fly out there.
Every day. Like my friend has a mention there.
Let's fly out.
But then her boyfriend's there right now, so I don't know. It's not good timing.
Oh, I don't know. Okay. We'll just plan a day. We'll fly out.
We can get like a hotel, Rob.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
Like I have a girlfriend, you have a wife. We can just share a hotel room. And
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I'm not some weirdo. We
Right.
do a pre-check. I'll fly out to you.
Like Dubai is actually not that expensive to fly to.
No. I just need to fly business. I cannot fly. I'm sorry, Tane. Like if you can't, I'll upgrade you. But I just.
I can fly anything. I don't care, except for Spirit.
Dude, my legs will hurt.
I can fly anything except for Spirit.
I'll get cramps. I'll be crawling around like an idiot.
Well,
I'm sorry.
Well, Rob, there's no law that says you can't stand up on the plane.
I know, but
I will
dude,
walk back and forth in the middle of the aisle.
I need to sleep. I need to watch TV. It's free. I got freaking flyer miles. It's free.
Yep.
I mean, if I'm not paying for that, you're crazy.
Absolutely.
I'll take a crate with a blanket and like a box TV with antenna for $49.99.
$49.99.
$49. Give me oxygen and a big coat. I'll fly in the freaking luggage department.
I'm trying to think of what we would do in Dubai. Like, there's so many things to do there as well. Are you going to the Bitcoin conference, Rob, in Miami in May? I may like skip that. Like,
I don't know, Tim. I've never thought about it.
their speakers. It's cool to meet people though. Like, if you bring the wife, you can have a good time. Oh my god, I'm looking on 10 seconds. Somebody buying like hundreds of Bitcoin every 10 seconds.
Look at Doge. It's getting bought up too.
Yeah. I may be a little bit over leveraged, Rob. I got greedy on the dip.
On what?
On the dip.
On what though?
I'm in too many positions. SHIB.
I'm in a lot too.
Doge.
Are you serious? I'm in SHIB, ETHW, and Doge. Sorry.
I think you're copying. Oh my god, Matt
I
is
am
ripping
not
faces
copying.
off from that dip.
I'll set up a camera right here and you can watch me all day.
I'll pass.
Okay. I'm down on SHIB.
People are going to look at the orders. They're like, oh, Tame lost money by
Front
selling.
run me.
They're going to be like, Tame lost money from selling ETHW and buying Doge. But I took some profit. I took a little bit of profits out of Doge, put it back to the same number of contracts. I still have 150,000 ETHW contracts.
I'll make you feel better this morning. You front running me on SHIB. Great. Good times.
I'm glad you didn't take profits on your ETHW or we would have crashed the market this morning. What's up? You want to play a dinosaur game?
I'll play dinosaur. Oh,
you want to play a dinosaur game?
Oh,
Here.
I'll play it.
load
That's
it
how I
up
was
for you,
down for a
okay?
dinosaur game.
You play Ark. All right. Good morning. The kid want to play Ark this morning. What? You gonna say hi? You gonna say good morning? Hey, don't say my real name. Don't say my real name. My name's Tame. Say good morning. So you're gonna play Ark? You're gonna raid some bases? High five. Go kill the dinosaurs.
I go kill the chicken.
Oh, you kill the chicken also? The dodo? All right, cool.
Yeah, I kill all the today the chicken.
You kill all the chickens. Good. I don't blame you. They raised their egg prices too much.
You do it, bro.
All right, we're gonna play. He's gonna play some Ark. He's only. He's 4. He turns 5 in March. 1 second. I'm gonna set up Ark. All right, he's playing some Ark. He's gonna go tame some dinosaurs and stuff. 4 years old, learning how to play Ark. Probably get into trading again about after he's done playing Ark today. Learn some chart patterns. Hey. Man, that computer's loud. Matic is up there, Rob. It's at $1.23. I can't buy any Matic though. I like Matic, but I can't do it. Not up here.
Yeah, it's getting pretty hot.
My biggest loss trading. Well, I bought a few options for Bed Bath & Beyond for January 2023 that I let expire. They were not worth too much money. But the stock, when I scalped it, like I made so much money.
I killed a dinosaur. Look, I killed a dinosaur.
Yeah, kill the dinosaurs.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
That's your Ark. It's your world.
Uh-oh. And now what?
Your world. You kill the dinosaurs.
Oh, they kill me.
Mm-hmm.
Die me, bro.
So, guys, Bitcoin still trying to run up here. How's everyone positioned so far today, though?
I made $30 on that last drop.
It's not bad.
I typed in what I wanted, and I just waited for the green candles to come all the way up to tag it and bring it down and let let it go.
Let's see if SHIB can break out up here. If it can break out and go to like that 127 range, cool. Or like retest that top again, 1254.
Might have a little more in it.
It might.
Looking strong.
I got eat this in a bunch.
Tesla's up 90% from the last month.
Oh, nothing.
I don't know if it's up 90% in the past month. I would have to check unless it spiked again recently. Did Tesla spike recently? Oh, it's $194, Rob.
Poopy.
Yeah, that poop, the dinosaur poop.
Why?
Cause the dinosaur eat berry and need a poop.
No, that's me a poop.
That's a dinosaur poop. It's bigger than you. Was that double top on Bitcoin? Not yet. But we do have golden cross. If we can break this local double top, the amount of time from that double top is about, let's see how many candles. It's been at least 6 candles. So about an hour. So sometimes double tops are bearish, by the way. And also we, near that double top, we started getting a little bit our side overbought completely and possible retrace right here on this golden cross.
Look at me. Go eat it.
What are you thinking, Rob? Feeling pretty good about today?
Yeah, I feel pretty good about today.
You like Tesla finally upturning again for like this month? I wonder how many.
Good to see.
I wonder how many altcoins Tesla is going to outperform. Tesla's a strong corporation because they have a strong leader. Right? That strong leader. Woo. We do have Golden Cross here, which is bullish, but we also got overbought. So let me add a call out for this Golden Cross. But our size overbought 5 minutes right there. I like to add like little notes like this on my chart so when I'm looking back I can see. ETHW is still up much higher than my last entry. Like ETHW is much higher than my last entry.
On the 15-minute, ETHW looks like it could rip.
Yeah, so actually, yeah, I see that. Like, I got back into ETHW because I went into contracts in case there is any updates from Binance. I didn't get the dip. I didn't get the bottom of the dip there. I actually sold a little bit before the bottom. Bought Doge on the dip. Rode Doge up some profits out enough to get my contracts back. And right now I'm up $1,200 from that. $1,500. Oh, we just made another high on ETHW there, Rob. But I posted in Discord like when I took profits and put it back.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
When it goes up to like, I know it's going to go to at least $10. I know $10 without a doubt. At least we can make it there within 1 year. $50, that's dreaming. That's wishing. Like when I say $50, I'm fucking wishing on that ETHW.
Let's see what happens when it hits 10, right? And then you go phase 2. We'll make 12.
I'm 99% confident we can hit at least $10 off of a Binance listing.
That's pretty good.
Like how about you, Rob? Are you 99% confident we can like at least double on a Binance listing from what you've seen in trading and coins being listed on Binance?
This is getting bought up, man.
Oh my god!
Holy shit, dude!
You gonna buy
what
it, Rob?
the fuck was that? I'm gonna go throw up, dude. This is crazy.
Why you got too much money, Rob?
I'm gonna go lock my. I'm gonna go lock my doors. I'll be right back.
What was it? Happened?
ETHW is pumping. Also, we might be breaking this bull flag on SHIB. ETHW is above 472.
Nice.
I took profits earlier, but I was like, look, guys, I'm an honest guy. I took profits on ETHW, bought a little bit of Doge. Doge rip. I took profits on Doge, put it back to ETHW. But look, if you go to like show off your profit channel, I posted when I took profits on it, and I thought I was happy, like 507%, great. But I had to buy back a little bit higher. And then I put my entry in there, like $4.51.9. And that's what scalping is. That's what scalping is. You have to be comfortable going, oh, sorry. I accidentally opened that image on YouTube. Oh, God. Where's the image?
What?
Wrong image.
I'm not watching YouTube, thankfully.
I accidentally opened the bag holder image.
Oh, God!
People are like, whoa, what popped in my face?
Those bags got me horny.
Okay, don't get horny while you're trading. That will distract you. You'll take your biggest L's while you're rubbing one out.
Well, for some, it's only a few seconds. It'll be all right.
I know, but it messes up your hormones. It messes up your dopamine levels and stuff. My friends in the real world that are the most productive are the ones that abstain from masturbation. Like, if they don't get their work or their goals met, they do not reward themselves. You should only masturbate to reward yourself, like, after you make an accomplishment. Otherwise, hold that in. The only time you let it out if you have, like, a huge amount of stress. God, Rob, I had to buy back at a higher price.
I had to buy back again.
No. I didn't take profit.
Okay. Me either.
I'm gonna put my line like where I had to buy back though, but I still earn money. People might not see it, but I still earn money because I explained the math. Like Doge went up a lot more percentage during that time.
So I sold at the top, right, and it started playing back up. It came back down. I bought at 4.429.
Rob, you were not telling me you sold. The fuck?
I sold the top during this last bit when it turned red. See the candles?
Yeah.
I'm not holding. It's coming down. It's crazy.
So
I'm gonna buy back in.
Poll, 61% think we are gonna break this bull flag. 103 votes. Shib, it's printing too.
Oh, let's look at Shib go.
My God Almighty. ETHW. Woo. Let me put my last entry. 5 point, not 5. Sorry, I was in time machine this morning. I'm getting like a little bit distracted. Let me remember my scalps. Sorry, I'm spoiling the future for you guys when we go $5 and something. My last entry was 4.519. My God. My God Almighty. I'm over 285% right here, Rob.
On what?
For my last
on
entry on
ETHW?
ETHW, like I'm up over $4,000 on my last ETHW scalp.
Jesus.
Oh my God, we're about to break $5 and I'm gonna have to change my YouTube thumbnail.
Let's go.
Top some of those orders right there.
Jamie, is there any other like news that would make us
no news from ETHW? Only the insiders. Only insiders buying because they know it's coming. Oh, we just got another big buy candle right here for over 1.8 million ETHW.
Oh my God.
Wow.
There's too much going on right now.
That's over $8.7 million. And this, like they're staggered. They're about the same amount of buys, volume-wise. But notice how the person buying up this much ETHW, they're like spending this much time buying it apart, these candles apart. Now price is getting higher. Like,
can we see if this ETHW is being removed from the exchanges?
Well, FEMET's removed it.
No, I'm just saying, like, is people buying it and taking it off and holding it?
This is why I don't trade on
You know what I'm saying?
FEMETs. That's one reason why I don't trade on FEMETs.
What's Femex?
Nice. FEMETs is that exchange you were using before, Rob, before I got you on METC.
I'm not sure I know what you're talking about.
I got into an argument with FEMETs. Yeah, FEMETs, the platform, the Russian platform you can drag up and down.
I'm not sure.
And these motherfuckers, they went into ETHW was at the bottom of the dip around $3, and they're like, we're going to delist it.
That's so weird.
Fuck them. And then they
Yeah,
posted on
I
their
kind of had to
Twitter.
move. I moved away for safety.
They posted on their Twitter for people to buy a bunch of cryptocurrencies, right? They're like, trade these.
Shiba
These
is
are up.
going.
And then
up,
they delisted. Yeah, we broke the bull flag.
Oh my God! Look at this.
Oh my God! Easy fucking day. Easy
Dude,
fucking
man,
morning.
I don't fucking.
Yeah,
I can call
basically, you could buy anything and you should be in profit.
Let's go.
Easy fucking morning. If you are not making profits in the last 84 days, that's your fault. That's your fault, 1,000%. I'm gonna let go of this shib. I don't.
Hold
up.
Except gold, I guess.
Peter Schiff out there looking at charts like, why buy gold? Why didn't I buy this Dogecoin?
Oh my God.
You think Shib did well? Look at Matic.
I don't even want to look at Matic. I don't like Matic. He beat me up, took my lunch money, man. He beat me up and took my lunch money.
Rob,
man.
you only lost money on Matic because you shorted.
No, I longed it once and it went down. Then I tried to short it once and it went up, and then he beat me up. So I don't want to play with him anymore. That's all.
It doesn't matter if you would have kept that long open and you didn't over leverage. Your long would be in profit now.
I don't know what to talk about. He almost made me eat dog poo, man.
God, Blocktopia is up 55%. I thought
He
they
almost
rugged
made me lick dog poo.
I thought they rugged Blocktopia. I really thought they rugged Blocktopia. Like it was getting delisted
Motion
from
detected
exchange.
on my front door. I'm going out.
Oh, Blocktopia is still under a penny. My God. I can see why it went up 40%.
Hey, Tame, how is Matic only up 1% on Robinhood, but 14% on your YouTube thing?
So it's different time. Like the YouTube's for like 24 hours. You go kill the dinosaur?
Yeah, kill this guy.
Good job. When I was your age, I didn't have internet. Actually, I didn't get a computer until I was like 9. And it's like a family shared computer with like AOL internet. Oh, we broke the bull flag, YouTube. So only 61%. Look at the YouTube vote. Only 6.
Where's Doge?
Doge is lagging behind a little bit. So
Oh, we'll see.
look at Shib. Shib broke the bull flag, YouTube.
Unbelievable.
61% of people got that one right, Rob. 38% of you guys are wrong. 38% of you guys were wrong. And I posted when we break full bull flag. Look at that. 61% yes. 38% no. Boom. We broke it up there. My God, Rob, I cannot.
Yeah. I think ETHW is trying to do it again.
We broke the bull flag for Shib, though.
Yeah, I took profits on SHIB. I'm out. That coin owes me money.
I don't blame you. Like, I've seen it pump like this before, but if they do
And
these
just turn around in a second, I'm out.
Yeah, I've seen it like do that.
Thank
took
you.
profits-
Ram bam, thank you,
I
man.
took profits on SHIB as well. I didn't earn a
Tame,
lot.
I also took profits, but I will post it later. I'm driving, so.
I mean, SHIB could probably still push up a little bit more. Don't get me wrong. Like, if they're doing like an update or something, Shibarium, like Shibarium release could double the price of SHIB. But me and Rob were in some other good trades that we don't want to like risk, and I over leveraged. I mean, it broke the bull flag. Generally, like after you break the bull flag, I know it's pretty bullish, but man.
I noticed too if you're trading and you're like, well, yeah, start taking profits. Just start at least, unless you see something solid.
So SHIB, I put it in charts that SHIB was pumping, and so we broke the bull flag. So when I first put SHIB in there, the price was 1243. I took profits is around 1271, and
yeah.
Well, I had 1 million contracts, not a lot. Oh, you can put P&L. So when you share your screenshots, you can put P&L, Rob.
Oh yeah, cool.
Nice.
Yeah, you can click that little P&L button. It'll tell you P&L.
On Maxi, you can do that?
Yeah.
They
Instead of
added
showing your
P&L now. Like I've been talking with like the Metsi president, and it's like I've been recommending some good updates for their app. Like
I got a couple of real nice updates that would be super easy for them and make it real.
Message me.
convenient.
I'll send it over.
Okay, let me get it figured out here and get it written down so it looks professional, and you can just forward it over.
You can actually click show P&L now.
Yeah, that's cool.
All right, so I took profits on SHIB. So look, if they can add it so that you can show like your take profit price, I would like that more.
Yeah, the percentage, the price, the entry, the exit, and the profit in dollars would be cool.
I'm going to go ahead and take a screenshot now. I'm going to send it over to Metc.
Dude, ETHW, bro. They're going to get listed or something's up, dude.
For ETHW?
Yeah, something's up, dude. Some people know before this happening something's going to pop up today and tomorrow. There has to be something going on. This ain't going to pump like this for that long.
Yeah, no, it's still going to.
Yeah, they're still buying, man. Like,
yep. Yep.
I see the seller. I mean, people are People are
But-
scalping this, but I mean, something's up.
Just be careful of the FOMO, but yeah, it is.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but it's same for Doge. When the other day the guy was like buying all the time and making those big candles, you know.
Oh yeah.
But people will start taking profits, so
ETHW, like, even if it runs, I'm happy for the people still holding it, but man, it's a good quick play for me. I have to give myself these quick plays.
Hey, Doge look like it could rip on the 15-minute also.
Like, yeah, Doge's potential to rip up here as well. Like, Shib's just fucking broke the bull flag, and it met my technicals for take profits. Is a quick take profit.
So, but you beautiful V on Bitcoin's chart. 5 minutes, 15 minutes.
Woo! Dude, I gotta check on that trading competition.
It sucks. I started up with like such a like a starting bag, so it doesn't show much.
I don't even want to look at my ETHW. Like,
Are you still in?
yeah, I'm gonna wait until after like the next catalyst, because look, Rob, if I didn't enter on that if I didn't enter like this line, I would be devastated. I would be fucking devastated right now, because look, ETHW went up 9%. Remember, I said if Doge goes up 1%, and Doge is still around the same price. I took a little bit of profit on a little bit of Doge to buy the ETHW back, but Doge didn't go up. Doge had to go up at least 2% from that range. If Doge went up to like 2%, I would still be about break even on the bag. But ETHW ripped. I took profits on SHIB. I put it in Show Off Your Profits channel.
Oh, nice.
Oh, so the share button now has the P&L amount. I'm gonna put the in ETHW. I'll put it in Show Off Your Profits. I'll edit the screenshot.
Do you think this push is enough to make the bears bullish?
Yeah.
Like, if you were in a bearish mindset and you're seeing all this, is it enough to make you change your idea? You think it is?
I don't know. It's only ETHW and SHIB are pumping right now, right?
Right, Drew.
No, everything is pumping. The whole planet.
The stock market, Drew. Look at the fucking stock market.
The stock market. Okay.
Look at Blocktopia. Here. Let's do this real quick, YouTube. We're gonna do a 15-minute chart. We're gonna do crypto bubbles.
Europe is, at the brink of putting new all-time highs.
Look on the last hourly crypto bubbles.
What are you guys looking at? What up, James? AJ.
ETHW is up a lot, AJ. Shiba Inu is up 5.9%. I just took profit on SHIB. Dogecoin's lagging behind a little bit. Oh god, ETHW is almost $5. We're almost at the thumbnail price. I told you guys.
What price? What? Oh, thumbnail price. Nice.
So here's the thumbnail. I'll describe what the thumbnail means. ETHW hit $5 before Binance listing. Pre-Binance listing. Are we there?
Oh.
We're 4 cents away from that $5. I've been spot fucking on for 84 days, and I'm fucking hyped.
Jesus.
Michael Berry was a jackass and tweeted sell, then disabled his Twitter account.
Wait a minute. Hold on.
$5,
What's his name?
$5,
Said buy crypto yesterday. Was he right?
Who said buy crypto yesterday?
Fuck Kramer guy.
No, he didn't say crypto. He just said buy. Pretty much.
Rob,
Rob, add the tweet. Add the tweet to your chart from Kramer.
Smells like a trap to me.
I told people to get. I told people specifically. I specifically said get ETHW yesterday. Like usually I don't.
There
do
it goes. 5x5. Bye. Bitch, smack that one.
Nice.
Wow. Unbelievable.
Man, my God, I already made $1.2 million today, Rob.
Dude, this is crazy.
Big red candle. Sorry, Rob. Bye. I'm going private jet. Bye, YouTube.
Well, what you guys
Bye,
looking
YouTube.
at, bro?
We need to talk later, Tim.
Don't leave us.
I'm gone. I'm deleting my number. Don't call me. Don't text me. Bye.
Bye. See ya.
I don't know. It sounds like take profit.
It sounds like a cell signal.
I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking.
Yeah.
That 1.2 million I earned is not in dollars. It's in Lebanese dollar.
85 cents. Nice job.
I'm joking. Lebanese dollar went down 90% in value. It's not worth a lot of money. Okay.
Hey, look, don't
see.
After I said that 15-minute pump, dude.
Like, look, AJ, are you on
Hey,
that platform?
No, I'm on. What are you guys looking at? I'm trying to figure out what you guys looking at.
AJ, I was sending you a message.
Doge.
I smell euphoria in the room.
You got it. What up, Drew? Is that Drew?
I use METC platform now, AJ. I told people to buy this thing yesterday. I specifically said you should get some yesterday. Look, use that METC link. You can trade ETHW there. You're a little bit late to the party.
I got it. I'm about to open it.
Doge is getting ready to rip off now too.
You did say every day.
What?
You specifically said every day.
No. But my Discord message.
Oh, okay.
Like, look, if you look at my Discord message, here's what it says, word for word. You should consider getting ETHW before a Binance listing prices around $3.98 now. You can trade it on METC. We're already up more than $1. More than $1. So 1 divided by 4, 25%. And if you're on leverage, 25 times your leverage.
No, it's amazing profits, and it's a good trade. But I'd like to say that these altcoins, you kind of expect at least a 2x, 3x when you buy them on spot. No.
Yeah. Did you buy
ETH
ETHW, Zusi?
That ETHW is still like, it's not really.
Are you still holding ETHW, Zusi, or did you miss out? Like take profits early? Tell me your story.
No, I don't trade small market cap coins at all. So.
What's your definition of small market cap? Like, what does market cap have to be big?
Top 50.
Well, ETHW market cap is a lot more now.
Yeah, it's gonna get there. I hope. I mean, if it bottomed at $3, like expecting 6, 9, 12 isn't that crazy for an altcoin like that.
Yep.
I mean, look at all the other alts. Look at Doge, it did a 4x. Look at AVAX, it did a 2x. Look at Algo. Look at whatever you want to. They kind of all do at least a 2x now. So.
Okay. AJ, if you're just jumping in now, I think you might be able to scalp a Doge bag. Honestly, Doge is lagging behind a little bit here, and Bitcoin's about to uptrend.
I just came up right now with Tesla on the Tesla call.
Oh man, why didn't you buy? I think I even messaged you. I even messaged you on Instagram about Tesla.
I got Tesla and I got Roku, and I did pretty good.
Like, let me check my Instagram. My last message to you, AJ. But I was telling people to buy Tesla at $106.
Yeah, I know. I should have fucking. It would have been nice, but I'm still grateful for what I got. But I just got back in the market. I've been off for like 2 years. I haven't talked to you guys for a minute. It's time to get back in this bitch.
We don't know about the 10 push-ups. So if you say should, could, and would, we're now doing 10 push-ups now to help us out.
I'll do 20. Fuck it.
What's up, bud? How you doing?
Talk about a previous trade.
Okay. My last message to you.
That is true, Drew.
My last message to you, AJ. I said my last message. I would put
was Bed Bath and Beyond, I think, right?
No. I'm looking at Instagram now. I'm reading it word for word. I would put like $1,000 at least into ETHW before it gets listed on Coinbase. And you told me, you said, okay, I'll be on Discord and what I will be buying. Welcome to the Discord, buddy. I sent you that link if you don't sign up on METC. A lot of us don't use Robinhood, but it's not on Robinhood yet. So if you want to trade it,
I already signed up on that account.
Don't do futures because you're busy a lot, right?
That bet on this new coin performing good, you could do it on any new coin. It doesn't really have to be ETHW.
Do not get on Robinhood.
Wow. People cannot tag Elon Musk in photos now, which is cool. My God, ETHW fucking ripped. If you're not in profits today from yesterday, tell your story. We want to hear. We're not going to judge. We're open ears. Tell us your story if you're not in profit today.
I was asleep last night and I'm not in position, but I was in profit yesterday. I made some money like around 4 o'clock in the morning and then went to sleep.
See, that's the problem with trading, right? We all need sleep. And that happens to me too. One day, this was like when I made my first $25,000 on SHIB play. I took profits. I went to sleep. I was like, oh yeah, that 25,000 was great. I woke up after my nap after taking profits at 25,000, and I looked at the price. I was like, damn, I could have made like 100,000 if I just stayed awake a little bit longer. So looking back in time, like sleep has been my biggest enemy in trading. Like I don't get greed. I don't have fear, but sleep is my biggest enemy because I have to sleep. But that's why I stay up so long sometimes.
No, don't regret that, because who knows what you would have done. Maybe you would have sold and then but back higher and you would have been wrecked.
And that's why I give Rob wake up calls in the morning. Like how many days in a row did I call you, Rob, and let you
like
buy
3 or 4 days in a row? Now wife's yelling at me like, wake up! I'm like, yes, ma'am.
At the dip. I called him at the bottom of the dips to get some good entries.
A lot of people lost money in this price action in the post 48
He
hours.
just sends me like a picture of his chart, and I'm like, let me look at the. Oh shit! I gotta get up.
For sleep, I'd be a billionaire straight up. I agree with him. Sleep is like my enemy.
Really, Drew? Really?
Oh, yeah, like if we didn't need sleep, we would all be billionaires.
You guys that are full time, the main thing is sleep that hinders you from profiting. At this point of your career, right?
I think what hinders your profit is yourself.
Wow, that's cool. Get sleep.
I had an idea a while back. I was like, I want to check all the Discord members and their psychology and their profits, see what's happening. But I already know, like from conversation, like I have it mapped out in my head, but I don't have it like documented in a database. I know like the good traders and the bad traders, the gamblers. Some people gamble degen on like options play for like a day. Man, SHIB is still running. I did a small bag on SHIB. I took profits on SHIB and put my screenshot because it broke the bull flag. Generally the technicals, but sometimes it can keep running. Like a layer 2, SHIB price would double. SHIB price would double layer 2.
Yeah, Shibarium should be coming out any day.
How about this? I don't go on vacation until Pulse Chain comes out. And when Pulse Chain comes out, I do a big fat fucking Discord giveaway. How about that?
Let's go.
I'll give out 10,000 Discord memberships if Pulse Chain goes to $1.
All right, SHIB just made a higher high here.
ETHW made a higher high. Oh my God, Rob, 520.
SHIB just ripped again.
Oh my God, Rob. 520. SHIB's not ripping as hard as ETHW though. That's the thing. Like from the buy.
Oh my God! Like, I went out to the. I tried to get the mail. Never mind.
We're up like over 30.
Holy shit!
Like from my green blocks yesterday. Like, look, if you would have got SHIB on my not SHIB but ETHW on my green block yesterday, that could have been your trade for the year. We fucking ripped faces. Yeah, YouTube doesn't get nothing, Leighton. I said I would do Discord giveaway, which I would give away Discord memberships, Leighton. But if you're already in Discord, it doesn't help you.
I got to work. A guy named Leighton ask questions about crypto. I wonder if that's Leighton. That'd be funny.
Leighton is a woman.
Never mind.
I think. I don't know.
All I have to say is be very, very careful up here, guys.
Thank you, Drew.
Let me look at. I stayed up late, but I gave you guys green blocks yesterday. Let's take a look real quick at the green blocks yesterday. Let's go through, look at the prices of the green blocks last night. Because the people that get wrecked on green blocks, I did it this morning at 1:40.